Knock. Lose. Good morning, guys, and happy
What up?
Thursday? What, Tuesday?
Tuesday. Oh my god.
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
We don't even know what day it is.
I don't know
out
where
here.
I am, guys. How we doing? Happy Tuesday. Tech
Happy Tuesday.
baby.
That's right, baby.
Tech Talk Tuesday
Yeah,
with your favorite
I
kind
saw
of
that
PC
you guys had an
boys.
echo. I fixed it.
We're good.
I fixed the echo. You guys
No
are
more
good.
Echo?
No more echo. We should be fine.
Starting soon. Happy Tuesday. It's Tuesday.
Happy Tuesday,
isn't
innit?
Tuesday. Isn't
Good
it?
morning. Mine's night. Well, I wish it wasn't, but it's morning for us.
I wish it was night for me.
I wish it was night for me too. I'm an EP boy.
Yeah, but we're
Zero,
chilling.
thank you so much for the follow over on TikTok. Really appreciate you. Thank you. How are you doing? We're doing great. I hope you're doing well as well, Finn. Hope you're doing great. Let's see. Hello, what's going on, Space Goats? How we doing? We got a ton of people in chat today.
Nice.
Can we switch hats? Me and David? I have a much bigger head than David. Is
Same
what I've figured out. I'm from India. Hi from India. Well, hello. Happy Tuesday. Happy
The
Tuesday.
child beanies that they gave us, they're
Little
like
baby
this
beanies?
big, dude. I put it on, look like a yarmulke. It was really funny.
Wait, what? They give us?
There's a bunch of like merch back there. We had this like child beanies.
Oh,
It
that's
was really
cute.
Yeah.
When
Shout
are
out
y'all
to
twinning
Kingston.
again?
Are we 20 today? No.
I don't know.
Kinda. We both have
Wait,
a,
are you wearing a Meta PC shirt? We are twinning today. Here,
Are you wearing the
hold
same-
my shirt down so I don't get
I got you,
demonetized. It's hilarious, dude.
Oh my god, we are.
Ain't
Dude, we
that
didn't
funny?
even know. We didn't even know.
Dude, we were hanging around each other all morning. And we're like, when are you guys twinning again? I'm like, are we twinning?
Didn't Zach ask us that this
Yeah.
morning?
He said, do you guys coordinate your outfits? And we were like, no,
fully
what?
twinning today.
Ain't that funny? Ain't that about a hoot?
That's a good Tuesday. See, it just happens randomly.
That's funny. Are you going to be doing PC building? Yeah. I'm doing good. Found out the problem, and I got a solution. Nice. Took my GPU into the shop I bought it from, and they stuck it to the test bench. Turns out the error was my graphics card, so they're sending out a replacement 1080 Ti. I could have sworn it was your graphics card.
Sick.
When you were saying the issues you were having, I was like, I'm pretty sure that might be your graphics card. What did
Sounds good to
bro
have a
just
solution.
say? Is only on live streams, Jared Smart? Yeah, basically. Honestly. Good morning, dudes. Good morning. How we doing? Chechnya. What's going on? Well, hello from Chechnya.
What up?
Hello from Phoenix. Hello from the US of A. Hold up. What's in this build? Guys, we actually have a really fun build that's
This
going
is
to
a
be
special
happening
one.
today.
We're actually going to be completing a build that we did start on
Friday. Yeah.
The Dark Day. When we,
The Dark Day.
The day the Fire Nation attacked. And
it
everything
kind of
changed.
was the day the Fire Nation attacked.
We had all those issues where we were, going void, and you guys were dropping, you guys, and it sucked, and we were doing a stream request, and that's not fun to watch, right? So we took a pause on that, and we put it off till today when they could watch again, and we're going to finish it up for our friend Gordon, who I hope is in chat right now watching.
I hope Gordon is here. I hope Gordon is here and
yeah.
in chat. Real Trex, I hear you. I see you. You are heard and seen. I am working on that right now. I need to figure out how to follow people back.
Hello from Germany, Guten Tag, Guten Morgen, Wie geht's? Ich bin gut.
I don't
Is
know.
that Filipino? I'm not Filipino. I get that a lot, though. I'm actually Cambodian.
There you go. I just followed you back. I just did it right now when I was thinking about it because I keep saying I'm gonna do it after stream, and now I did it. So you can now do my Sora stuff. What are some good free Steam games?
I've been looking for those, too.
I've been looking for those too, actually. If you got any, let me know.
Yeah.
I know there's a lot of really awesome free games out there that I just haven't tried yet.
I've perused the free tab, and there's been some good-looking stuff. I just
Yeah,
haven't-
there's a lot of great indie
Yeah.
developers out there,
Yes,
dude. Billy, with the first time chat, you could switch sides and we wouldn't even know. I mean, basically, yeah, honestly. Did that happen? Let me see. If we switch
What?
sides. Did you notice?
They didn't even notice.
They didn't even
I can't
notice,
even
dude.
tell.
I can't even tell.
I'm looking in the mirror like, wait, am I still over there?
Hello, you like cheese? Why are we speaking French in the chat?
No.
The French Coalition,
No.
Get it?
Bonjour.
uh,
No.
whatever. Have you heard of Where Winds Meet? It's free. I guess it's a story game too. Oh, nice. Not the French, exactly.
Not the
French.
French.
No, switch
Already
it
with
back.
the French.
Getting us started off right, huh? Jared, when do you start wearing glasses? Actually, I've had glasses for a while. Fun fact.
Do you wear contacts?
Yeah, no, I don't.
Oh, okay.
I have reading glasses at home,
Gotcha.
but I only need them when I'm reading a lot.
Of course.
Yeah, and I never do that at work.
You don't read?
I never read. Nah, dude.
It's just something to read.
This is all scripted, dude. I don't need to read.
I'm
This
reading-
is,
we're reading the
this is all
teleprompter right
scripted.
now.
I'm reading the teleprompter, yeah. Jared used to be a nerd. I still am a nerd, guys. I still am a nerd. Yo, it's good to be back. What's going on, Arska? How we doing? Would y'all ever try to make a PC with more than 7 RTX 5090s? That seems like a pipe bomb. That seems like something that you would... No, we should not do that. We're flying too close to the sun at that point if we're doing that. Best GPU for around $300 to $400. The 9060 XT is a really, really solid
That's a good one
option.
at that price,
Get my
yeah.
first PC in 7 days. Nice, dude.
Super
Jared, do a
excited.
flip. I can't do a flip. RAM's getting expensive. Yes, it is. It definitely is. Fun facts for you guys, though. In preparation for the holiday season, we bought up a bunch of stock for things. So our RAM prices at Meta PCs not increased. Just letting you guys know. Just letting you guys know. Yo, I'm probably here to do the hey man together. All right, we should probably do that.
Gotcha.
All right. 3, 2, 1. Hey man. Ooh, we both did the wave.
A little
We both did
wave
the
action. Yeah, so
dude.
we're on sync, dude.
Um,
We're fucking.
yeah.
We got the shirts.
Yeah, dude. We got it, dude. Will you rate my PC? I would love to rate your PC. What you should do is head on over to our Discord, discord.gg/metapcs. Guys, when I tell you today I was pulling build ratings, and I got to yesterday.
We're there, guys.
We're there. We did
it.
FX Mim, thank you so much for the follow. Yeah, we definitely we started this build on Friday, but as you guys know, the day the Fire Nation
day the
attacked.
Fire Nation attacked.
Yeah, the darkest day, the day of Black Sun. Yeah, it was not a good day for us. So we're gonna be building this
We're
PC
gonna finish it
right
out.
now. We're
We're
gonna
gonna do our
finish
back
this
Gordon
out.
right, yep.
Sorry for not being in the last 2 streams. Time was kind of tight. You
All
are
good.
all good, my
Chilling.
friend.
You're here now.
You're here now, and that's all that really matters.
Should we get into this?
Yeah, we should get into it,
do
dude.
it.
We're gonna switch over to main.
Gotta see where we were at, because it's been a little bit.
Yep. Is a 2060 Super build good for $266? Yeah, for $266, you're basically paying for the 2060. You're basically just paying for that card, honestly. 1660 Super good for a first PC. Yeah, for sure. What's the funniest build you've built? The Roptoplex was one of mine.
That was cool.
We had a guy come in that asked us to put a 1650 Super in a Optiplex. We had to do some angle grinding to make sure we could get that into place, but we did end up doing it, and it worked out great. What's good, Unc? What's going on, guys? Please give me a PC. No, I cannot.
I built it was a Fallout themed system.
Dude, I love Fallout.
It was
We have one of those
super
we're rating
cool.
today, actually.
And it was beautiful, it was awesome. But they wanted 8,000 RPM server fans in there
What?
for some reason. So when we turned it on,
Yeah, you
that's
heard.
all you heard throughout the whole warehouse, and we're all just laughing and you're like, dude, this is what they wanted.
By the way, I joined the Discord. Nice, R9 Edit. Happy to hear that. Can we show you our Fallout build? Yeah, we will be showing off the Fallout build that we're going to be rating today later on in the stream, so make sure you guys are staying tuned for that.
What?
We have a Fallout build
Oh.
in the... no, we have a build rating.
that's funny, okay.
That someone has a Fallout build in the Discord.
That's sick.
So it's not like Fallout themed like you did, with
Okay.
it was like actual like hardened like Fallout
Yes,
themed.
yes, I see.
But like this is like a lighting, this like Height Y70 touch
Okay.
too, so it has like the screen on it, and it's like has like
that's
a
really
Pit Boy on it,
Yeah,
stuff
yeah,
like
yeah.
that. It's
This
really,
was like
really
a
cool.
purpose-made case. to do
Exactly,
Fallout.
yeah. 50
Fallout Boy.
Yeah, Fallout Boy.
Go down,
Down in an earlier round, and sugar, we're going down swinging. I'll be your number one with a bullet, a loaded god complex, cock it and pull it. Ah, dude, I'm sick, dude.
Love those
And it's an
Fallout
X870 motherboard. I think this is a B650 board, is it?
This is an X870.
Oh, this is an X870.
X870.
board. Okay, my bad.
So we have the X87. We have a 7800 X3D. We've got 32 gigs of DDR5, and I believe this is a 2 terabyte NVMe M.2 drive.
Love. You can
yeah.
tell this guy definitely watches our videos, watches our live streams. What do you think of the 5070 Ti? I love the 5070 Ti. Such a good card. Such a good card. Really, really good card. I daily drive a 5070 Ti. We actually have a 5070 Ti we just put into our stream build on Friday. So, guessed it right. Yes, sir. You sure did. No, you nailed it. You nailed it. Because I thought this was a B650 board for sure. But then you nailed it with the X870, guess. PC building is way too expensive. Respect to you guys, dude. A lot of people think PC building is an expensive hobby.
It is.
If you get into it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it can get very expensive, but the thing is being smart with your money, knowing where your money is going, knowing
There's
where your
ways
money's
to
going.
do it on a budget.
Exactly.
There are.
Knowing where your money is going and where your money is going for your performance too is a big one. So, for example, if you're like, if you're paying $400 for a case and you're on a budget, that's not going to add any performance to your rig, gang. Like, maybe go lower on the case so that way you can have that $200 or $300 for something else. You know what I mean? How should I build a PC in order? In my opinion, there's not a specific order to do it in. I think it varies based on builder, but there are some like steps to take to be like consistent on it. David, I'm gonna let you take that one.
I would agree. There's not any specific order that like is correct, right? That being said, there are orders that you can do that will make it easier for you, right?
Yep.
So like if you put in, for me, if I put in all my wires first, like my fans, my power supply, everything, and then start to like try and put my board in and cable manage stuff, that's way more difficult than if I put my board in first and then get the case wires managed. Then if I put my fans in and get those wires managed. Then if I put my power supply in, get those wires managed. That's a lot easier for me doing it in steps like that than mixing it all together. So I would break it up into steps at the very least, right? That's about the best I can do.
My friend said to turn off turbo mode on my Ryzen 7 5800X3D to make my CPU lifespan longer. That's not bad advice, but honestly, hi guys and Jared, what's going on, Uberman? How we doing? Thank you guys so much for sharing the live. Really appreciate it. Ibrahim, thank you so much for sharing the live over on TikTok. Guys, if you guys are in the early gang officially, you've been here for less than 15 minutes, I think, at this point. If you guys could go ahead and hit those algo boosting buttons for us, the likes, the follows, the shares, all that fun stuff. We really do appreciate it. Red Step, thank you so much for the follow. Guys, also, my Twitch viewers, we started this thing yesterday, and I really like doing it. If you guys could let us know when you guys are getting ads, we're going to slow down a little bit whenever we do that. Like, maybe not stop the full build, but we want to make sure that you guys are here for that. For as much stuff as you can be. Danny R, thank you so much for the follow. CPU, RAM, NVMe cooler, if air cooler, prep cases, install fans, install motherboard, PSU, AIO, GPU, boot. I usually do AIO somewhere, like I said, there's not really a set like path, right? And Waski, thank you so much for the follow over on Twitch. Really appreciate you. If the 5090 can't run 8K, what can? There's the rub. Nothing can. Nothing can really truly run 8K. As far as like, if we're talking playable gaming experiences, right? Like, if we're talking like running 8K on like a 6K monitor or whatever. Jerry forgot about my 5800X3D. I'm sorry. Turbo mode, what that does is it disables one of the CCDs on your X3D chips, which was very much a big deal when they first came out. You might see some performance in like single core and stuff like that whenever you disable that, but that's more of like a convenience feature more than it is a like tanking your lifespan type beat. So Zoltrain, I didn't forget about it. Sorry about that, guys. I got a little sidetracked. Can you please build me a PC? Zorro, we would love to do that. Zorro Aura King. Brother, we are also One Piece fans in the studio.
Hit up our custom configurator, dude, or check out our RTS page.
Can the 5090 run 8K? Not gaming, no. If you're trying to get a display out at 8K, then yeah. I mean, I would assume so. It's the best of the best GPU in the market. If they're having 8K monitors, there needs to be something that can run 8K. When are the 60 series cards coming? No idea, Twin. I wish I had. When's the losing weight stream? That hurt. That hurt. Brother, I'm not even... What? Look at me. What are we talking about?
You must be talking about me.
How would you lose weight? You don't have any weight to lose either. You're jacked.
I disappeared.
You got a sleeper build going on, dude. I got like...
I'm
I got a little
cozy
bit of
here.
chunk, dude. They're like, oh, Jared enjoys a burger
Sue
every now and then.
So
Sue
what?
me. Sue me, dog. And you know what? I don't enjoy a burger with lettuce on it. So
No, none of that.
9800X3D sell out first day. Well, it's already been out, and it did not sell out first day. Jared's got the buff dad bod. Listen, we like that. We like those.
Exactly,
We take those.
Exactly.
We take those. I do definitely have a father figure.
There you go.
I have a father figure. Chat, clip that.
be nice.
Clip that. You have a father figure, dude. You love your dad.
Yeah, I was talking to my
You
dad
talk about your dad all the time.
I was talking to Dad last night.
Zach is just Superman. Yeah, basically, honestly.
That is true.
When is Ginger Lord Farquaad coming back? Hey, who you calling Lord Farquaad? Guards.
Guards.
Way to flex on the orphans. Jesus. All right, where's the Garfield plush? I can go get it. Should I go get the Garfield plush? Danny R, thank you so much for sharing the live. Really appreciate that. Thank you. 5080 and a Ryzen 7 9800X 3D. What's the best monitor to use? I would use something high refresh rate 1440p. If I were you, maybe go up to like semi-high refresh rate 4K. But 1440p is going to be your sweet spot for a 5080, I think. Do you guys ship to the UK? We don't, just US and Canada. First day of Black Friday. Guys, that's the good part about being here at Meta PCs is that we do Black November. So all month long, you have Black Friday deals. Yep. The 7500X3D is out. Oh, nice, dude. The 7500X3D is out. That's gonna be a cool one. I'm gonna say it again. No harm meant. Just training to get unbanned. No, you're good. You're good, dude. You're good. 7500X3D is out, dude. That's sick.
Just training to.
You asked about free games earlier. A friend of mine is playing something called Where Winds Meet. It's been out for 4 days. Looks pretty fun. I'm telling you right now. Someone just mentioned that on TikTok.
I might have to look that up.
I might have to look it up. That's the second one.
Give me one more person to say that recommends me, and I'll
yeah, dude. Honestly, like it's a free game on Steam. There's no reason not to try it. You know.
I got Gordon's case over here, guys.
Oh, dude. Gordon got a sweet case, the Night Reaper.
We're doing a custom Night Reaper on this one, guys. So like, if you like our Night Reaper print, but you want to put some different parts in there, you can do that. That's a thing that you can do.
Bunny's in the chat. What's going on, Bunny? How we doing?
How we doing?
Bunny, I saw your build. There's no way you have a 4090 in that.
Certainly not. That looks like a 4070 Zotac card.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Yeah, I was thinking that's like a 4070.
I saw that in the stream side. I was like, wait a minute. I was actually commenting something, and I was like, and then I forgot distracted. And then, I was gonna comment. I was like, that looks like a 4070 Zotac to me. I'm glad you agree.
Yeah, I did see your GPU, Bunny. I did see your GPU. It looks like a 4070 Zotac, which is still a great card. Yeah, good card. I still would not want that to go away anytime soon. So I'm glad we took the steps. My dad said it was a 3060. Oh, it's a 3060. Okay. I'm aware of the 3060. That makes more sense too.
It did look actually a little bit more sharper than the 4070.
Yeah. Gamer Cortez, thank you so much. Core, thank you so much for the follow. Really appreciate you, and also for sharing the live. And James, thank you so much for the follow. Really appreciate you guys. You guys are absolutely incredible. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What's a good laptop for school? A good laptop for school would be the Meta Wisp, guys. We actually have laptops now, ready to ship laptops. Yeah, so it is. This is the Night Reaper, not the Ninja Reaper. The Night Reaper. Did you see my custom build idea? I did, Bunny, and I like it. I like your custom build idea.
Oh no, bro.
Our NZXT 8IO is good. Yep, the Meta Wisp. Yeah, we have ready to ship laptops now. If you go to our ready to ship page, check the laptop tab. Check the laptop tab on the ready to ship page. The Ninja Ripper? No, this is the Night Reaper, guys. A Ninja Ripper could be next. Yeah, maybe we'll use a Ninja Ripper.
That's kind of a good name.
Do you plan on shipping to the UK? Hopefully one day. Hopefully one day, but not anytime soon.
We could do a black and red kind of theme.
Yeah, dude. Like a little ninja star.
Yeah,
on the back.
Ninja star. Dude,
ninja stars in the back.
Oh, dude. Actually,
guys,
did we just cook?
I think we cooked. DDR5 actually better than DDR4. Yes, it is. Do y'all ship to the USA? Yes, we do. We ship to the US and Canada. Our friends up in the Great White North, you guys can also get our PCs. The camera shakes with each step. Oh, dadgum. That was a good one, actually. The Night Reaper. R-E-A-P-E-R. As much as I want a Meta PC, I also want to say I built my first PC with the help of Tex. Oh, dude, I totally get that.
We always encourage building PCs. Like that's what I'm doing here. It's what we do. It's what we love. So,
is Archception good if I use Arch with an Arch?
Yeah.
I think that is Archception. Yeah, that would be. I moved to the USA just to get a PC. Shout out, dude. It's the i7 14700K good for comp Fortnite. What GPU do you have, Geffen? It's a really solid CPU, but the GPU matters a lot too. So yes, if we're talking just on the CPU side of things, and that's like where you're starting, you're basing everything around your CPU, that'd be a great CPU for comp Fortnite. Building a PC at 14-year-olds is good. Yeah, absolutely, dude. Yeah. That's awesome.
That's much earlier than I got started. I was taking apart CRTs then and almost dying.
Yeah, that's how
But I didn't. I'm here.
Let's see. Is a 5500 XT good? The GPU or the CPU? I know that in Europe there's like an XT CPU, and I didn't know that was a thing. Let me look up the 5500 XT.
Oh, ASMR for these guys with the LTT driver.
Ooh, LTT screwdriver. I'm looking up the 5500 XT right now.
This is 2
It's a GPU. Old. It is a GPU, okay.
It still sounds good.
4 gigs. I mean, I don't think it's the best GPU, but it's definitely not. It's definitely something you could put in a system. That I'm setting it up right now, but the one running is more powerful than the average gaming PC. Hey, that's good, dude. Uberman, thank you so much for the bits, by the way. I have RTX 5070. Nice, dude. That's a good card. It's a great card. Is the Ryzen 7 8700F as bad as people say? I use it with a 4060. Now, if you're using it, then it's definitely... The thing is with specs, and people are like, oh, your specs are bad, your specs are bad. Do your specs work for you? Are they accomplishing the goals you want to accomplish? Because if that's the case, then they're not bad specs. All right? Rides, I am trying my... Brother, I wish you could see the chats that I'm getting in here. I ordered a white 4060, which was cheaper than its black one. Really? You got a white card cheaper than the black one? That's odd.
Thoughts on the Steam Machine?
Thoughts on the Steam Machine?
It is Tech Tuesday.
It is Tech Tuesday. Also, if you want to get my full unhinged thoughts on the Steam Machine, you should head on over to Zach Shutt's channel.
Yeah, I watched that. It was funny.
I think it's a very good video. I had a lot of fun making it, by the way. Low budget GPU, any recommendations? RX 6600, depending on how low your budget is. RX 6600 is a really solid card for 1080p gaming. The 5700 XT as well is a really solid option. But if we're talking like more modern day, I'd go 9060 XT, B580, stuff like that. It's really, really solid. 4070 Ti Super or 5070 Ti. There's the rub. That really depends on what you want out of it. If you want to use DLSS 4, frame gen, and all that fun stuff, I would highly, 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 highly recommend getting the 5070 Ti because that DLSS 4 comes, all that stuff, right? Baked in. For the 5070 Ti Super, if you don't really care about the frame gen, then that's a great card as well. 16 gigs of VRAM, GDDR6X, so slightly faster than GDDR6. But still a very, very good card. Also, dual in-bank encoders on both. So I could see both cards being a very, very good thing. Really just depends on which one you get which one you can get for a better price, and which one your wallet likes more. Because the 5070 Ti Supers, I believe, are going higher in price because of a short supply. Can you rate my setup? I would love to. If you head on over to Discord, discord.gg/metapcs. We are catching up on build ratings today after this build is over. Super pumped.
Long time coming.
It sure has been.
We did it.
I'm happy to be here. Yo, my goats. What's going on, Josh? How we doing? How we doing?
How we doing?
How do I choose the motherboard? Which will give me the best performance? The 7900X. For best performance, I'd go with the X870 motherboard. But overall, if you plan on running your stuff at stock, the B650 boards or the B850 boards are totally fine as well. Yeah, they're still great boards. I only recommend the X870 if you're planning on overclocking and things like that. That would be probably when I would say X870 all the way. But if you're planning on running at stock and just want really solid performance, B650, B850 is going to be totally fine. Sam, what's going on? Can you send your chat one more time? I'm trying to catch up, but the chat is moving today. You guys are showing up and showing out. 3050 or 4050? Go with the 4050. The 3050 Ti isn't really a thing.
Did they do a 4050?
The 4050 is a laptop GPU. Laptop GPU, yep. But if they're going in between two laptops, go with a 4050. Jared, I finally built my new all-white 5070 Ti 7800 X3D build. For now, the 3070 in it just to use it. 5070 Ti. Nice, no? That's awesome, dude. Congratulations.
Super sick.
That is super, super cool stuff. I found an RX 7600 for $250. Is that a good price? It depends on where you're located, too. Bless you.
Thank you.
Depends on where you're located, if that's... Bless you again.
I was sneezing twos.
I forgot about that. 7600. Let me look up the prices.
Guys.
Let me look up the prices around here. New, you can get it for like $360. So yeah, if you're buying that used, then I think you got a good deal. Make sure it's working. Make sure it's running before you get it. You should be fine. It's in Poland. Okay, well if it's in Poland, then yeah, it's probably a really solid price then. Is a Ryzen 5 7600F a good starter CPU? Yes. What GPU should I pair with it? You should pair a 9060 XT with that bad boy. I'm assuming you meant the 7600X, not the 7600F, or the 7500F. I'm assuming that's what you meant. Is it easy to build a first PC with ATX? It's not, I mean, I don't think the difficulty varies based on motherboard size, right? I mean, it might a little bit.
I would say the bigger the PC, typically the easier it is. That being said, in bigger PCs, you're usually putting more parts in.
Right.
So it's a balancing act. I would say ATX is probably the sweet spot for a beginner builder, yes.
I would say so, just because you have more space to work with.
You have more space to work with, but it's not so big like EATX, that you're throwing in like 20 fans and
Yeah.
2 radiators, extra stuff like that. And then ITX and MATX can get complicated with the lack of space. So ITX is a good place to start.
Hung Long, if you just joined the Discord, you need to react to the rules in the rules channel. React to the rules in the rules channel, then everything else will unlock for you. Yo, what's up? What's going on, guys? So my YouTube and Twitch guys, I'm very, very sorry. Chat is moving 90 miles an hour today. I am trying my best to keep up with you guys. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much. ITX seems like a nightmare, especially for a new builder. It probably is. But if you're not a new builder and you have some experience, I would do an ITX build.
Yeah, I love
100%.
ITX builds. So satisfying.
The most worth it GPU. We're talking price to performance. I'd go with the 5070 Ti or 9070 XT. Those are best price to performance. As far as current gen goes. Current gen, I think price to performance are those two. YouTube is alive today. YouTube's alive today. TikTok, I have not been able to read a message in so long.
We are cooking
on TikTok. I'm trying my best.
Shout out TikTok. You guys are awesome.
TikTok is showing up and showing out. Like, I literally cannot read the chat. Like, I'm trying.
That's a good problem to have, friends.
This is a good problem to have, especially in the live streaming space. This is a great problem to have. TikTok, my family over there. Thank you guys so much for being here.
Amazing.
I sent it in. Check it out. Thank you so much. I'm trying my best to read chats. 1080 Ti in 2025. Don't sleep on the 1080. Now, the thing is that you're gonna definitely run out of support here pretty soon. I want to build, but I'm scared of the CPU. Oh, to put the CPU in it. Don't be scared. Make sure everything's lined up properly. Don't drop it. You're gonna be fine.
Yeah, just go
Look
slow.
up a tutorial. Look up a tutorial. Look up a tutorial. I promise you, it's gonna be easier than you think. I sent the picture. We will check it out. We do setup ratings every single day. We just caught up, so most likely your setup rating will be tomorrow if you guys are gonna get in today. Now, don't take advantage of that. Don't take advantage of that.
That's why
now.
we got the slow mode on, guys.
That's why we got slow mode on in there. Don't take advantage of that. Jared, have you ever made what? I don't know what that means. 3050 Ti does exist for laptops. Oh, that's neat.
Cool.
I thought you're... Wait, what? That was pretty funny. Whatever you said, it was funny, because I know there was a joke into that. I didn't know the 3050 Ti did exist. Okay, neato. Listen, guys, I'm not really big on the laptop side of things, if you guys didn't know that. I'm a kind of a laptop hater, if I'm being honest. No, I'm not. But, like, as far as gaming goes,
Jared is famously a laptop hater.
yeah, for sure. 9060 XT 16 gig or the 5070? I'd go with the 9060. No, 5070 if you're playing at 1440p. If you're playing at 1080, I would go with the 9060 XT. Just seems like a better fit. Is it okay to buy parts on Amazon? Absolutely. I buy parts on Amazon all the time.
I do.
Best GPU to AI generate droids and crop tops. That would probably be...
We're not gonna give advice for that, right? We can't. That's crazy.
I would never give advice for that. You're gonna need a lot of VRAM. Best GPU under $300. Would we go over the B580 for that one?
That made a lot of noise.
That made a scary noise.
That made a lot of awful sounds.
Let's see if it still works. It does.
That'd be the second one I bricked in 2 days. That'd be no good.
Intake and exhaust installed on the same fan. What are we talking about? Yeah, you can just flip. You just flip the fan whichever way you want it to go. If you want the air to blow inside, then you would flip it. You know. David, can I steal one of your fans real quick?
Yeah, dude.
I just want to show. So, if this side is facing you, this is the way the fan is blowing on most standard fans. Standard fans, I'm talking about, not reverse blade. Standard fans, this is the way the air goes, right? So the ugly side is the direction the air is going. So if your bottom intake, this is what you're gonna want. Top exhaust, you're gonna want the same thing, right? The air is blowing toward the ugly side. In a reverse blade fan, it's the exact opposite. The air is blowing away from the ugly side because you want to be able to see the pretty fan on the top. Because obviously, this is the ugly side. You don't want to see that. New RX 7600 for $250 is a good price. Yeah, that's a great price. I would say that's a solid price. Now, new, they're going for $360. So I would look at your local listings too. But yeah, that's not a bad price. Jared, I have good news. What's going on, Senator the Turkey? How we doing? What's the base Asus motherboard for 9950X3D? ROG Crosshair. ROG Crosshair X870E, I think is like the best of the best ASUS motherboard. One video has 110 viewers, the other has 10. Love that, dude.
Love it.
I love that, dude.
Works.
Run it up.
Run it up.
Run it up. Should my CPU air cooler be set to static speed or a fan curve? I would set it to a fan curve. For AIOs, you want it to be static for the most part because it lowers the wear on your pump. But for fans, you would want that to be on a fan curve because then it could be more aggressive the hotter your CPU is, or less aggressive. It helps with noise and things like that. I have an extreme version of that one too. Can be hard to find though. Ooh, nice. And the 4060 good. Yes. 4060 is a really solid card.
The extreme version's cool. With the connectors on they face the side.
Seekin Destroyed said I'm about to order a PC from you guys, and for my son, he's super excited. Let's go!
I
That's
love that.
awesome,
Do
dude.
you want it built on stream? Because we can do that for you. Oh,
Why is this door never closed?
opens our door.
You just opened our door, dude. Jared, I found out I have $120 in cash in the back of my dresser. I can get storage and a CPU cooler. You love to see
I was
it,
gonna
dude.
ask you if you figured out your storage situation. We were talking yesterday that they need some storage, and like storage is obviously expensive as well right now.
What are your thoughts on the new Steam machine? Do you have any thoughts on the new Steam machine, David? I would love to get yours.
I mean, I've seen minimal things about it, the things that we've said about it. It's interesting. It's cool. I know that Steam has done this before.
Yeah.
And but Steam makes good hardware. Like Valve makes good hardware. They have. I like the Steam Deck has been wildly successful, right?
Well, I mean, it depends on what we're talking about. If we're talking about, so it depends on what era of Steam we're talking about because there is some history there behind the Steam machine, behind the Steam controller. They launched both of those. The Steam machine they tried to launch several times. Probably ordering a pre-built. We love that. We love that, my guy.
Nice,
That's
no worries.
totally fine. That's why we have the ready to ship page. Those systems are ready to ship out next business day. Also, Black November deals all month long. Just saying, putting that out there. So anyway, Steam machine. So Steam machine, they've tried to do it before. They tried to do it several times before to come up with like a small form factor PC console type beat.
Yeah.
And it never really worked out for them until this time. I think we're at a place now. I think the technology is caught up to Steam, not Steam being, you know what I mean? Like, I really hope that they can do this right. If you want, let me get a quick thing in chat. Soul, can you do a poll real quick? Can you do a poll real quick? One of the polls, just should we deep dive in the Steam machine? Should we keep building? I mean, we're obviously gonna keep building, but deep dive in the Steam machine, yes or no? I just want to see what the viewers want to do. If we want to do a deep dive in the Steam machine, we can. But if not, we don't have to. We can just keep building.
That's fine. We should do polls like that on Tech Tuesday. Let them decide what we talk about. What rabbit holes we go down. Because you and I famously would wander around.
We
and
do
talk
love
about
a good
a lot of
rabbit
random
hole.
stuff.
We do love a good rabbit hole here in the MetaPC studios.
Oh, yeah.
Is the RTX 5060 better than the 3070? Yes, I would say so. Depending on what we're talking about here, this more efficient. There's gonna be more efficient. So like it's gonna be able to use its 8 gigs of VRAM a lot more efficiently than the 3070 would. It just depends on what you're trying to do too. 3070 is still not a bad card. Do not sleep on the 3070. But also look at the performance that you're gonna be able to get. Right. Look at that stuff. Look at the games you like to play. Thank you so much, Soul, for starting that poll. Really do appreciate you. The 7500 XRD is basically just a 7600 XRD with 200 less megahertz. Kind of disappointed. Wish they did the 7600 G3D. What? G3D? Let's see. That's a big girl. Yep. This is a big PC. This is a big PC. We like it though. What do I do if I can't remember my password on my PC? There is some options there. You can just reset your PC. That's what most people do. That's what I would do. Once again, where's PC Papa? He is around. I've seen PC Papa this morning. We had a nice conversation. Discord, discord.gg/metapcs if you would like to get our Discord. I'm not ghosting you, I swear. Hold on. We're in person in chat? What? When it's my turn, what are we talking about? It's my, what? What's going on? How often should I reapply thermal paste? I've been using my gaming laptop constantly for about 4 years and I haven't really applied it yet. For laptops, it's a little bit different because they have thermal pads in there usually, right? They don't like really dry out.
Laptops, yeah, not nearly as often as a PC.
Yeah, I think you should be fine.
You usually wouldn't need to, unless like
Well, because they're built to not be opened up
Yeah.
by the user, right?
more or less. Most
Yeah.
laptops are not meant to be like opened up. Like they can, and you can often like change them out and maybe get a little bit more performance or something. But like, or if they're really old and crusty, you can change them out. But you know,
That is a great build. The Be Quiet 600DX case, 5070, 7800X3D. That's a solid build. That's what I asked. Okay, I just couldn't find your message. That's why I was confused. ROG Strix B550A or a B650 Eagle. It depends on what platform you're going to be on. If you're on AM4, go with the B550. If you're on AM5, go with the B650. What keyboards do not have the symbol at, and I have to use that symbol every time? What do you mean your keyboard doesn't have that symbol, then? It should. But like, anyone got any recommendations to replace my 12400F as everyone's you got a 5060? If you got a 5060, you should be fine with the 12400F. That's a really solid config, actually. We sell that config here at Meta. I think we do, yeah.
Exact config.
I'm pretty sure we sell that exact config. Let's see. 12400F should be totally fine with a 5060, my guy. Let's see. The Ember 50. Yep, i5 12400F with a 5600. That's what I thought. With a 5060, my bad. Is G-Skill brand and RAM great? It's a solid brand, yeah. Quick repost. Please tell me if I'm... I just wanted to get an opinion on a weird PC. I have a 3060 12 gig. Okay. Ryzen 5. Whoa. 3200 megahertz of RAM. Should I upgrade the CPU first or go with a new GPU? Upgrade the CPU first. Upgrade the CPU first. 64 gigs of DDR4 is really solid. The CPU is what threw me off. The 3060 is fine. The RAM is fine. But yeah, I use Arch, by the way. Same, twin. Is this Fortnite? This is not Fortnite. We are building some PCs.
Is this Fortnite?
Is this, guys? Is this Fortnite? 7600X and 4070 Ti Super, or a 7700X and a 9070 XT. Where I live, they're roughly the same price. Which one should I go for? Ooh, Growly, that's a great question. Also, he needs an icon. Dude, I need a skin in Fortnite is what I need. Listen, who makes Fortnite?
Epic.
Epic, if you're listening.
Which you are.
Which I know you are. I know you're out there.
Out there.
Give me a skin in Fortnite. Just random, just generic white man, Meta PC shirt, hey man hat, beard. Saul, thank you so much for the follow. Really do appreciate you. Thank you. I would do the 7600X and the 4070 Ti Super if I were you. What song should I learn on electric guitar? You should learn Golden from Big Boy Tommy. Thank you so much for the follow. Really appreciate you. Does my keyboard as a Yunzi AI75. Oh, that's our lowest prices on pre-builts here at Meta. $8.99. $8.99 is the lowest price. For K-Pop Demon Hunters, absolutely. That's exactly what you should do. Feel Good Ink. Ooh, that'd be a good one to play on electric guitar.
Golden sounds really good, like on acoustic like finger style.
Danny R, if you want to show your PC in the Discord, make sure you react to the rules in the rule chain if you already are in the Discord. If not, discord.gg/metapcs. We are building in the Night Reaper case. This is an exclusive case from right here at Meta PCs. We have a beautiful, beautiful case print on this bad boy. Absolutely awesome. Please give me a PC. I cannot do that. What should I do? Den, if I were you, I would look up and see if there is a shortcut for that thing. Usually it's just Shift and 2. But if you don't have a 2 on your keyboard, then that might be an issue. The 7900 XTX for rendering and a 4060 Ti for lossless scaling, frame generation at 1440p, a gaming beast. With a 47 CPU and 36. Oh my gosh, that's awesome, Omen. Thank you so much for the super chat, by the way. Really do appreciate the super chats.
Thank you.
But that's incredible, dude. That's awesome. GG's, my man. We love seeing a Tinkerer win. Lazy Kitten, thank you so much for the gifts over on TikTok. Really do appreciate that. Guys, you guys are in the early gang. You guys are absolutely incredible. David, do we have some time? I need to run to the restroom.
Yeah, dude, do you think? We've got plenty of time. We're
Cool.
chilling through this build. We're gonna make it make it look right for Gordon. Yeah, there's a lot of good parts in here, guys. They made a good selection, like I mentioned. This is a stream request build from one of you guys, someone that watches our streams, wanted us to build this on camera. If you want that for yourself, for a build that you're thinking about, you can do that. You go through our custom configurator on our website. And then at the end, you can just request to have it built on stream, and I will build it for you right here on this Lazy Susan. It's a lot of fun. It's like my favorite thing that we get to do. In the very early stages, I'm just getting things like the preliminary cable management, like what I talked about, how I do things in stages, right? I usually put in the board and the AIO first. I know some people like to do the AIO last, and that's also perfectly fine. But for me, it's just easier. I can get all of this done. You know, this is now finished. I'm not going to work anymore on this AIO or whatnot. I have the exhaust fan installed. Now I'm just going to have to worry about these fans here and these. Where am I? In the front, and these fans here on the bottom. So. No, this isn't the Mini. This is the O11 Evo Dynamic RGB. This is the big boy. The Pro 6000 is 7% off. It's only $8,300. Let's go. Let's go. Are we giving it away for money? Yeah. This is actually, so this is already someone's build. This is Gordon's in chat. You might be watching. They put this order in and requested us to build it on stream. So this one's already spoken for. But we do have builds very similar to this with this case print or a lot of other options on our website if you wanted to check it out. Birthday, Lewis, tomorrow's your birthday. Let's go. Happy early birthday. Come back tomorrow and we can wish you a happy actual birthday. At around 1,000 for VR and FPS games, what should I pair my 9800X with? $1,000. That's MSRP for a 5080, right? I've seen those cards going for MSRP or lower right now. It's a good time to buy a graphics card, so I'd probably say a 5080, maybe a 97 XT if you want to, if you're looking for like more cost per dollar kind of vibes. Got a white 5070, nice. That's awesome. Let's go. What RGB app for Linux? That's a good question. I actually have no idea. What do I do this for? I'm not the Linux guy, but once Jared gets back, we can ask him. That's a great question. I don't know if Signal works or Open. Oh yeah, it looks like we have some people saying Open RGB. That one works for Linux. Okay, that's cool. What case is this? This is the Lee & Lee O11 Evo Dynamic, and this is a 360 millimeter RAM. $9,900X with a 5070 Ti. Good. Yeah, that sounds great. Using Signal. I like Signal. Signal's great. Signal's awesome. My RGB frames are kind of borked right now. It's upsetting. It's all plugged in right, but my controller is just not being seen in like Device Manager. So I have to figure it out. I think it's probably a bad cable or something, probably like a bad USB cable. Is the B580 worth buying for a friend? The B580 is great. It's the card that I use on a daily basis. It's what's in my personal system at home. I love it. It plays every game that I want it to play. Again, you know, but you have to temper your expectations, right? With a $250 card, you know, you're not going to be playing Black Myth Wukong at 400 FPS. It's just not going to happen, right?
Nope.
But if you're playing, you know, other games, you'll be fine. It's a great card. It really is.
Hi. I'm back.
Jared, what RGB software for Linux? That was a question. That we had.
OpenRGB. It's the only
That's
option you have.
That's what people were saying. It was
It's
like
really the only
installation.
option you have there. What I do, and this is just for me. This is just for the people that know ball. For me, I know ball. So what I do is I have IQ components that have a memory mode on them. And then I just save a memory profile to them because they
Right.
have little storage in the fans themselves.
Okay.
So they can remember what I told them to do. So what case is that? This is the Night Reaper case. This is actually the 011 Evo, but we have a custom case print on this bad boy. Might not be rapid. Just subscribe for 2 months in a row. Thank you so much for the 2-month sub. Really do appreciate you guys. Just Sebs, thank you so much for the follow. Does a Ryzen 7 7800X 3D match with a 4090? Absolutely. Be a great combo for you. That was actually the combo to have at one point. That was like the combo. The 7800X 3D. That was like you were the best in the game.
Yeah.
You know. That's a really, really solid combo. Danny R, thank you so much for sharing the live. Guys, if you guys are here with us, you are definitely a part of the early gang. First hour. Absolutely insane stuff. Thank you guys so much for being here. Really do appreciate you guys. Hey, Saint Gang, what's going on? Why does David wear a jacket? Is the PC Dungeon Papa Zach Kingston? Have you guys held up in the cold? I can't chat your Discord server. Danny R, what you should do is react to the rules in the rules channel. That is going to unlock all the channels for you. Saint Gang's like, oh, nothing much. I'm just streaming, Saint Gang. You know, I'm chilling.
Just vibing.
Just vibing out with the gang. I might put my hoodie back on. It's a little nippy in
It's a
here.
little cold.
It's a little nippy in here. I don't understand almost anyone saying, bro. Real Trek said, wait, David, I think I see a screw under there.
I'm almost tempted to do it just to
Make
bother
Samba upset.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't think Samba's in the chat.
I know,
though.
but they could say they could see the clip and it's even worse. You know.
I just think it's so much funnier if when we know Samba's in the chat, we let Real Trex do it to us and be like, oh, come on.
That's a good idea. We'll do that.
Let's see. Samba Plays is here. Samba, are you here? Oh, no, I ruined the surprise.
No. Oh no.
Perfect, I'm in the U.S. Yeah, we ship to the U.S. and Canada. We sure do.
Boom. We got you.
It's a Ryzen 7 5800X from the RX 7600. Oh, my goodness, a good combo. If you want to play at 1080p, that's going to be a solid combination for you, my friend.
Senator of the Turkey must mean we need a meta PC in Utah, and I'm like, yeah, that's true.
Yeah, you do need a meta PC in Utah, Senator of the Turkey. You sure do.
We got you.
Hey, but you know what? You actually don't need a meta PCs in Utah because
You can always order. We ship nationwide.
we sure do ship nationwide.
And
We sure
Canada.
do. This is only 011 Evo RGB. Is it the RGB? I don't.
Lee and Lee 011 Evo Dynamic RGB.
Long name, guys.
There
We
you
need to
There you go.
we need to figure out our
There's
marketing.
a lot because there are different versions of the Evo, the
Oh,
Evo
yeah, I know.
Dynamic, the non-RGB. And so, like, I guess they need some monikers to determine to differentiate it. But long name. It's an Evo.
I am
It's
meta
cool.
PCs in Utah. Yeah, that's kind of true, honestly.
Wait a minute, that's
Drew
true.
kind of is just meta
That
PCs
is
in Utah.
a fact.
What's a good build for $1,300 to $1,500? I have a great build in mind for you. $1,300 to $1,500. Have you heard of the Ember 50? You actually might save a few bucks there and be able to get some nice peripherals. The Ember 50 goes for $1,200 and is a really, really solid 1080p build. Is a 5060 Ti for $425 good? New. Let me look up the MSRP. I think that's around the MSRP. $379 for the 5060 Ti. Oh, $429 for the 16 gig model. So $425. That would be, that's right at MSRP. That's around where you would expect. So yeah, I think it should be solid. As long as it's a 16 gig version, it should be good. Do you like Windows 7? I used to love Windows 7, dude. Hey, what was your favorite Windows?
Probably 10, I guess, is the one I had the most experience.
Fair
on.
enough. Mine was 8.1. I'm
Yeah.
kidding. I'm joking. That was a total
I
joke.
never Vista. Mine was Vista.
Ooh, Vista, nice. Yeah, no, if anyone says their favorite Windows was 8.1, you should
Run away from them.
run away from them quickly because yikes, bad person, bad mojo.
I think I did actually use Vista. That was on my parents' home computer.
Beer Bong Wizard, thank you so much for the follow, and Peter, thank you so much for the follow as well. You stopped that 8.1 was disgusting. I know, that's why I said it. Archie, thank you so much for the follow, really appreciate it. I multiply polynomials now. Oh, have fun at math. You guys should do the donation money to buy a heater. I'd recommend a 7950 X3D. That's pretty funny. That's good. Growly, thank you so much for the follow. Nick, thank you so much for the follow as well. I'm still rocking Windows Millennium Edition. That's crazy, bro.
Yeah, let me get on some.
How are you
900
guys?
speed.
How are you guys running out of date operating systems?
Not connected to the internet, I hope.
I hope not connected to the internet. Is there a cheap 9070 PC? 9070 is a decent card. I would go for the XT if I were you, but 9070. Let's see, we have some options with 9070s in there, but we also have some options with some 5070s, like the V1 Shadow 50. The V1 Shadow 50 is really, really solid, but if you want an AMD card, let me see what we have on the website. I know we have some 9070s on the website, don't we? Maybe not right now.
I don't think we do have any with just a 970 non-XT.
Well, no, we have the Nightwalker. I just meant like I was gonna tell him to go up to the XT, but
Okay.
the Nightwalker. I was looking for the build. I was like, I know we have one with a 9070 XT in
Yeah,
there.
yeah,
The
we
Nightwalker. I am reading YouTube comments over Clocker's Lab. I'm here. The Nightwalker. Thank you so much for that, Drew. Really appreciate that. What do you think of the H9 Flow? I like the H9 Flow. Rowdy, thank you so much for the follow. Really appreciate that. I'm still rocking Windows 10, but I'm in Europe, so I have extended updates. Nice, dude. That's sick. See you soon. Have a good one. Have a good one, Senator to the Turkey. I hope to see you soon. What's a good motherboard for price? I want to get decent, but I don't want to spend too much. Jack, what platform are you on? I now have a Ready Arch in my. I now have a Linux Arch in my Linux Arch. Both were installed manually and have more power than the average. Nice, dude. That's sick. That's sick, brother. I need a good PC. We have a good PC.
We got good PCs.
What kind of specs you guys thinking?
That's what we do.
What do you think about the MSI Dual Ventus OC 5070? Love it. Cole, thank you so much for the follow.
Almost just died.
Did you just light on fire or something? What
Yeah.
happened?
I almost tripped over my shoes come apart.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Because they're
I love
old
your
man
shoes.
shoes, and I like stepped on it. I was like, whoa, and then almost
Whoa.
died.
Whoa.
Whoa.
I have not been to the new store here in Phoenix. Jay, thank you so much for the follow. Really appreciate you. Is a 5070 and a Ryzen 7 5700X a good combo? I like the numbers. I like when people make combinations that have the same numbers in them. Like if someone asks me if a 7600 XT and a 7600X is a good combo, I almost always say yes just because the numbers are good.
Must be.
It must
same
be.
numbers.
Same numbers.
So it must be.
I think it'd be a pretty solid combo for you if you're going to be playing it at 1440p. I have seen a pre-built with an RTX 5060 Ryzen 7 5600X, 16 gigs of RAM, 1 terabyte SSD for €870. Is that good? It's not a bad one. It depends on what country you're into and what the market's like there. Obviously, I don't know every country and every market, but it doesn't seem like a bad build, my man. The 5060 is a solid card for 1080p. Italy. Italy has some decent markets. But yeah, that seems like a pretty good config. Hey, my drivers won't update anymore. What's happening? What do you mean they won't update anymore? Are they already up to date, or like what's going on? What is needed for programming? Not much is needed for programming, actually. You need a display and some gumption, my man. Can you send me a free PC? No, I cannot. I know you're just kidding, though. Appreciate you. CJ, thank you so much for the follow. Really appreciate you. I'm trying the King. What's going on? What's going on, the King? Is my build good? Asus Prime H610M, Wi-Fi, 5060, 2 fans, i5 14. Oh, that's going to be a solid build. Yeah, dude. 32 gigs DDR5, 5600. I wish you went a little bit faster on the RAM, but overall, it's going to be a solid build for you, my man. best GPU under 250. How much is the B580 going for nowadays, David?
It's at the LE from Intel, the limited edition is that's the non-overclocked version, guys. Is 250 with tax.
Nice.
Comes out like 270, 280.
Nice,
Depends on where
dude.
you are.
How good are Noctua fans? Noctua fans are great. Best in the biz, honestly.
Noctua are great. They
We
just
love Noctua.
they look kind of funny.
They do kind of look a
They
little
look
iffy.
a little funny sometimes in some builds, but they make black ones, which are really nice.
They do make black Noctua fans. Yeah, if I had to go with Noctua fans, it had to be black, dude. I can't go with the brown.
They're pricey.
Uh,
But so are like SL Infinity fans. So.
It's Log. Thank you so much for the likes on the live. Really appreciate you. Now I'm gonna get hate. No, you're fine, dude. B550, 5060 Ti, 16 gig, Ryzen 7, 5800X. That's not a bad config, dude. That's solid. Gonna go with 34, no, 64, 360. Yeah, oh, nice. I need better networking though. That's not a bad build though, Jay. I like the Noctua Brown. I hate the Noctua Brown. Wait, where's the Heyman dude? He's around, I promise.
It's a strong opinion there, Jared.
What?
That you hate the brown.
I don't. I hate the brown, dude. I gotta be so honest, dude. I hate the brown.
It's not for me. Is how I'll say it that nicely.
Mm-hmm. Better networking, Jay. What do you mean by better networking? You just need like a better ISP? Like, what are we talking about here? Like, as far as like better networking, because you can get like one of those PCI Express cards.
Get you like a 10 gig network.
I'm running 2 gigabit network. Okay, yeah, I would get one of those Wi-Fi cards, or maybe upgrade your motherboard too. Upgrading your motherboard if it has an integrated Wi-Fi chip.
Remember, your internet will be as fast as your slowest component.
Yep. The King, I think that's a really solid build for you, my man. i5 14400 and a 5060. Solid build, my man. Any recommendations on PCI Express? It does. Yeah, so any recommendations on PCI Express expansion cards? I don't really have any that stick out on the top of my mind. I would just make sure to look at the specs before you buy it to make sure that you're not accidentally slowing yourself down further. It's not that I don't have any, like, I just don't have any ones that are off the top of my head, like, these are, like, trusted. Yeah, you know what I mean? If you want plug and play, then buy a pre-built. Yeah, that's the thing, right? If you guys are in the market for a new PC and you want to build your own system, I highly encourage it, right? But highly encourage it. It's a great hobby to get into. However, if you're in the market for a new system and you don't want to build your own system, you don't have the time nor the expertise or the money or whatever, and you want a PC from people that eat, sleep, and breathe this stuff, that's where us here at Meta PCs comes in. You have a 1-year parts warranty, lifetime support. It's a great system. Systems we have here are really, really solid. I would recommend looking us up. Meta PCs everywhere. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us. You guys are awesome. There's a 970 Ti good for Fortnite. Haza, I think it's about time for a GPU upgrade, don't you think? Montec King 95 Pro. I love that case, dude. It's a good case.
Montec makes cool stuff.
Yeah. Is a Ryzen 7 9800 XRD and a 9070 XT a good combo? Absolutely. AMD software makes my games run worse than running them without the software. Why is that? Because it can be taking up resources in the background. It can be trying to help you with your games, but actually hindering your games. It is a thing that can happen. But if good news is, you can just turn that software off. You can just download the manual drivers if you want. But the apps like that, the NVIDIA app, the AMD app, they try to take information from your game and do different things with it depending on what your goals are. But that can often take up resources and stuff like that too. So
Yes, Intel, their graphics utility for the card is kind of known for doing that.
It takes up my, like when I had it running it and I was playing Minecraft, for example, with shaders, it was a lot worse than when I had it off. So I was like, okay.
It can just take up resources.
Yeah, exactly.
Yep. How do we submit our builds for ratings? Soul Spirits, that is a great question. If you head on over to our Discord, discord.gg/metapcs. After you do that, make sure you head on over to our See My Setup channel in the Discord. I really do appreciate that, guys. You guys are awesome. Also, OC all my own stuff. That's super cool, dude. That's sick.
Yeah, oh yeah. Save some money, OC your own
yeah,
stuff. That's what I did. I was like, I could spend an extra $30 and get an overclock card, or I could save $30 and just go overclock it myself.
Yeah.
And then, I waited for like 6 months before I actually worked up the nerve, and then actually did it.
Yeah. MSI Afterburner can be your best friend, dude. Can I run GTA 6 on the GeForce 256? I'm going to say no. But that's not because of knowing the specs for GTA 6. That's just an old GPU. 3070 or the 4060? Really depends on what your goals are. The 4060 is a solid card. 3070 is also a really solid card. Depends on what your goals are, and if you're looking for better performance in 1440p, I would definitely go for 3070. But if you're just looking for a more efficient GPU, I would go for the 4060.
Do both get DLSS 4? Or is it...
No. 4060 does get DLSS 4, but not in the same way as, the 50 series does. We got ads. All right, cool.
Pause.
Ooh, that's not good, Sir Pubert. I hope you're all right, my man. Hello, Miss David and Mr. Jared. Well, hello.
Oof. That's no good.
Do I need a GPU for anything except gaming? Yes, you do. AI workloads often require high video random access memory, or VRAM. And also, GPU just gives you display out. So, like, they said it for next week. Oh, cool. Okay.
Good.
As long as you're not in trouble, gang. Because I know how that works. And
I almost got in
yikes.
trouble doing that one time.
Yeah. Rakesh, thank you so much for the follow. Really appreciate you. 3D rendering. Yeah, there's a ton of different things that you could use a GPU for. It's not just for gaming. But if you're doing like office stuff too, and you don't really need a GPU, integrated graphics are just fine for that. You don't need a crazy amount of stuff to just run Excel. You know what I mean? It depends. Like I said, take in what you need. What you need out of a system matters more than what other people think you need out of a system, right? Or what other people think are good. Looking for more gaming and good quality reliability. 3070. Ooh, okay. Reliability, I would go probably with the 4060 more often. Just because the 3070 is a little bit older and might degrade on you a little bit faster, especially if it's used. So, do you think the 5060 Ti 16 gig for AI? So it has a good amount of VRAM on it, and that's a big thing for AI. So I think it'd probably be a good buy. Do you know how to record on PC? Windows Shift S. Windows Shift S, and there should be a little red button. You should just be able to drag it out and record stuff. But if you're looking for like
Windows Shift S
OBS,
is snip.
yeah, but you can still
Screenshot. You can
record.
record on that?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. I
You
didn't know that.
Yeah, let me see.
No. I knew that you
Windows
could like
Shift
snip
S.
and copy paste to the.
Yeah, video. Look, right here.
Wow. I'm learning new
Draw
things
shape to
about
record it,
Windows
recording area, yep.
shortcuts.
Yep, Windows Shift S. All you gotta do is go over to the camera.
Amazing. Very cool. Who knew?
Use budget is the best. Thank you. Yeah. Confirming my research. Of course, I got you good taste. Let's see. Do you do 3060 versus the I would probably go with the 3070 overall, but if you're going for longevity, I'd probably go with the 4060. Just because it's a little bit newer. But overall, if you're depending on what your resolution is and stuff like that, if you're like I said, if you're playing at 1440p, I'd go with the 3070. No holds barred. Poll was completed. Awesome. I should have checked that. What was the results on that? Sorry. Oh, there we go. See details. Nope. See details. We do want to look at the Steam Machine. Okay, fun.
Let's do it.
I love the third option. What is the Steam Machine?
How many people hit that?
No one hit that, which is a good sign.
Yeah,
All right, guys, I'm going to pull up the Steam Machine. We're going to look at the Steam Machine real quick. Guys, if you do want to get my full unadulterated thoughts that are not live, I would head on over to Zach's channel, Zach Shutt. We did upload a new video the other day about the Steam Machine and everything that Steam has to offer. Don't go right now, though. Don't go right now. Go after the stream. Check that out, okay? Don't leave me here all by my lonesome with David, because David scares me a little bit. Let's see. Proton brings. Oh, wow, we got some new Proton news out. That's fun. All right. Where is this Steam Machine article? There we go. Let's look. Let's find some Tom's Hardware or something like that, huh? Alan Mus, thank you so much for the follow. Really appreciate you. Thank you. Let's see. Now this FSR Redstone Premiere. Oh, this is fun. We got some new. 5070 is a new historic low at 479. Love that.
Wow.
Sorry, I'm looking for Steam Machine. Come on, Tom. Okay. So I'm gonna. There we go. All right. We're gonna head on over to the desktop. Here we go. All right, so Valve is promising 4K at 60 FPS with FSR. Crazy work. Crazy work here, stuff.
So like locked at 60 kind of vibe?
I don't know. I don't know how that's going to work, but I'm hoping that Valve, on their end, does unlock the graphics so that way people can mess with stuff. Valve rattled the gaming industry in 2022 with the launch of the Steam Deck. I'm sure you guys were around for that. We were all around for that, right?
I would assume so.
What's your go-to 1 terabyte SSD? Kingston NV3. Good taste. Thank you so much for sharing the live. Really appreciate you guys. Thank you. So, Tom's Hardware. Well, this is from Tom's Hardware. Shout out Tom's Hardware. This is a system meant for living room play, armed with a new semi-custom AMD Zen 4 CPU and RDNA 3 GPU. If you guys are out there right now, the guess that I think performance-wise is going to fall around is going to be the 7600, the RX 7600. You can rate live, don't mind. I think I'm improving my CPU, recently built in August 2025. Nice. Improving my CPU, not improving. Just sending my PC to repair. Oh no, I'm so sorry. What happened to your PC? And it runs SteamOS like the Steam Deck. So, my question is it going to be more polished, right? Because we know I'm a Linux boy, right? Like, we're all aware of that. I use Arch, by the way, guy. But seriously, though, like, SteamOS is based on Arch Linux. So my question is it going to be more user-friendly than Arch already is? Because I use Arch every single day, for the most part. And it's not very user-friendly. I'll be so honest with you. It's not a lot of polish on that bad boy. So, if they can do this right and make it to where, like, every update's just a big update button and you don't really have to worry about stuff, that'd be really, really cool.
I have no experience with SteamOS, though, so I have, like,
Me neither.
no frame of reference for this.
Me
So
neither.
if it's gonna
I'm
be good or not, or
really,
how
really
it's gonna be.
hoping. I bought a 5090 through my family friend for $1,000. Oh my gosh.
Good deal.
What CPU should I buy? 7800 X3D.
Pentium 2.
Get the Pentium 2.
I'm mad that you got such a good deal.
You got a great deal. It's mostly a heat sink. They broke the bad boy open. They broke it open. They were like, listen, it's mostly a heat sink.
Sense?
Oh, wait, there's a clear controller? Hold on, wait a minute. I haven't seen this yet.
That's kind of cool.
That's awesome.
I like clear stuff.
So here's my thing, David, and I have this question for you and also everybody in the chat.
Yeah.
Is this compelling to you guys? Is this like something that you're thinking about picking up? Because my thing, I already have this. You know what I mean? I already have this. I don't need this, right? So like that's my thing. It's like I have a Steam machine. I already run Linux. I have all that stuff already set up. I don't feel like I need this. Right? I watch these videos daily. Thank you so much, Brits Edits. Really appreciate that. Front of the Steam machine is magnetic. It's designed for easy cleaning. Valve rep said the company will be releasing files for people with 3D printers to come up with their own designs.
Wow.
Dude, that's so sick.
So you're gonna
dude.
change out the front plate? That's pretty.
Yeah.
So I can see the appeal of like if you have a ton of games in your Steam library and you want to play, with on your couch in your living room. This is cool. I don't know. For me, I mean, I have a PlayStation, I have a Switch. They don't really get used. I have a PC. I don't really game a ton.
Diego said,
It's cool, though.
Diego had a good one. He said, I don't need it, but it's super cool.
Yeah, like I definitely
No,
don't
fair.
need it, but like the nerd in me is like, yeah, that'd be cool. That'd be cool.
The nerd in me is like, Steam is trying to make this into an ecosystem,
Yeah.
right? Which is super cool. Huge shout, like they're taking notes from Apple and they're like, all right, how do we bring an Apple? How do we be the Apple of gamers, right? And they're really doing it, dude. They're really doing it up.
It has the makings to be a good console.
Now-
it seems good.
So I'll be so honest. I'll be so honest here. As a guy that's already been in this space for a long time, as you guys know, this isn't very compelling to me as like a thing I'm gonna go out and buy.
Yeah.
Right. It's not very compelling to me, but I, as a person that's been in this industry for a little bit, you know, like as far as like the business side of stuff, like being like actually working in PCs and stuff like that, this is gonna change the market at least very heavily. You know what I mean? He was right. Jared is on the live streams. I am on the live streams. Hey, here we are. Oh, missed you guys. Also use this for an ad blocker. Thanks.
Brian.
Thanks, Brian.
You're awesome.
Really appreciate you, dude. Use this for an ad blocker. You're funny, my man. The 3050 laptop, 4 gig, 75 watt, 6 gig, better than the 6 gig 50 watt, both for FPS based and modern AA or AAA titles. Is the 4 gig 75 watt better than the 6 gig 50 watt? I would assume yes, just because it has a higher TDP, but that might be trying to make up for the lack of VRAM from the other one. Muted. I'm muted? What? Why am I not in YouTube Shorts? And do you use Arch? I do use Arch. I'm not... No sounds? What? Really?
What happened? Did our mic just go out?
No, it's... I'm seeing it. Look. Can you guys hear us? PC Papa's gonna kill you for using Arch, probably. Got a 99... I can? Okay, no,
Okay.
I can hear you.
Okay,
Okay,
good.
cool. I think it's just a glitch for a couple
Yeah.
people out there. I was like, whoa. Okay, I can hear you. Okay, cool. Yeah, we can. Okay, sweet. PC, no, he's not gonna get me for, yes, you are loud and clear. Okay, cool. I was like,
got
what?
scared for a
What is
sec.
happening?
No,
Guys,
no.
you can't be messing with us about stream going wrong when we just had last week. You know what I'm saying?
PTSD war flashbacks.
I'm like, oh no. Sounds fine. Okay, cool. Why are you not in the YouTube Shorts and do you use Arch? Yes, I do use Arch. I'm not in the Shorts anymore because I'm in here a lot of the time. They're filming Shorts. So, you gotta pick and choose, guys. You gotta pick and choose. I can either be smart in here all the time or never smart, ever. And I like to be smart. So, let's see. Will it run a game like Fortnite at 90 FPS with Optiplex 5040 Intel i5, 16 gigs of RAM, 500 gigs of SSD, and a 1650? Ooh, that should definitely get you 90 FPS in Fortnite, especially on competitive settings. How many V-Bucks for a 5090? Isn't V-Bucks 1-to-1 with US currency?
I don't think so. No,
Oh.
no way. Cause I think a gift. I got my girl like the $100 pack of V-Bucks, and it was like 13,000 V-Bucks or something like that.
13,000 V-Bucks, actually, what do we? Yes, V-Bucks. About the laptop 3050. Oh, I didn't answer the question about the laptop 3050. I sure didn't, did I? Actually, though, the 4 gig with 75 watts is faster in the laptop. In a laptop, that is faster. Seek and Destroy, thank you so much for the follow over on Twitch. Really appreciate you. Which case is that? It's nice. This is the O11 Evo from Lee & Lee that we've done a custom case print on to make it our own. The Night Reaper PC, and this guy is on our website right now. You can go check it out. Meta PCs everywhere. What is your opinion on the 5090 liquid cooled variants? I love them.
They're
I
cool.
love them very
Yeah.
much. They're very, very cool. Is the RTX 3050 good for gaming? No, it is not. If it is an entry-level card, I would say it's fine. But if you're just saying overall, is it a good card? I would not say so. Bro, where's Zach? He's around. I promise, guys. Don't get your mind all twisted. Don't get all twisted up in a bunch. Got a Ryzen 9 7900X 12 core. What's a good GPU for it? Currently got a 6700 XT, and I feel like it's bottlenecked. Well, the 6700 XT is a really, really solid 1440p GPU. The 7900X is also a really, really solid GPU or CPU. Oh my gosh, I keep getting them mixed up. I can't do nothing right. I would say the 9070 XT. 9070 XT would be a really solid option for you with the 7900X with the, I think it's just going to be a little bit better than your 6700 XT. So 5060 Ti good? Absolutely. Oh my goodness. Oh, you meant which is my favorite liquid cooled? 5090 Astral, dude. Come on.
Yeah, the Astral Liquid Cooled is really nice.
Do you have a favorite liquid cooled?
The Astral's nice. I like the MSI Supreme one. I think.
Supreme?
Is that what it is? The
Supreme
Supreme?
and a prim and a Supreme and a prim. You should really go and Supreme. I can't go Supreme this time. Alexandros, thank you so much for the follow and the likes. Really appreciate it. Shark Kite, thank you so much for the follow. Really appreciate you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. How do I upload rate my setup? I joined the Discord, but I can't find it. Not cold. Make sure you react to the rules in the Discord. Cade clipped you. Thank you so much for the follow over on Twitch. Guys are awesome. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Name what the 5080 for 4K. The 5080 is great at 4K. There's one more week. RAM deals, here I come. Let's hope so, dude. I'm not ignoring you, Duke. What's going on, Harry Duke? How we doing? How we doing? I'll never forget you taking my beard away from me. I'll
Some
never
people
forget
here in
this.
chat that will just never ever forget.
Lord Panheima, Duke,
Dude,
Uberman.
Yeah, you guys are all good.
Follow the oh, thank you so much, Grat, for the follow. Is the 5070 Ti and the Ryzen 7 9800X3 a good combo? Absolutely it is. I subbed. You definitely send me a maxed out PC. Yeah, that's how that works for sure.
Absolutely.
Colonia gave me a hydrate. Oh no. Ah, good stuff. Oh my goodness, you guys are gonna kill me. You're killing me, Smalls. Is it see my setup? Yes, it is. Not cold. 360 millimeter water in the up or side of the case. I would usually always go up, but if you're gonna front mount it, that's totally fine too. You can't really go wrong with that. The more optimal way is to have the tubes coming up from the bottom, but tubes coming up from the top is still a perfectly fine way to run it. You just don't want your radiator to be below your pump. Is the 3050 any good? Why are we asking so much about the 3050? 3050 is a good starter GPU, but if you've been in gaming for a while, then I don't think so. No. Am I getting a good PC? It's a 5060 Ti and a i5 14400. Let's see. What case is that? This is the O11 Evo. The difference between the 5070 Ti and the 5080, CUDA cores and TDP. That's the big difference. Is it worth the Super Series? Wait, I don't think so. This is an RG Liquid Freezer. Whew, you guys have, I'm talked out, gang. We've been live for an hour and I'm talked out. I'm pooped.
Chat's going crazy today.
Chat's going nuts today. I'm not complaining at all. I'm not complaining at all. You guys are great.
Coming.
Thanks, guys, for all the hydrates. I only suggest front or side mounting unless you're doing a push-pull. Don't hate that. Don't hate that. Have a drink. Thanks, guys. Can you, give me the best MATX case for traveling?
Ooh,
Cooler Master Master Box?
Master Box is okay. Look at the Johnsbo Z20. That one has a handle on it. You can carry it around. That's the one I have.
Yours has a handle?
Yeah.
That's so cool. You can just unplug it and be like, oh, let me go on my little trip. I'm gonna go on my little trip now. Am I the only one who actually enjoys cable management? Yeah. Could you imagine? Yeah, that's you. Yeah, you're the only one.
That's just you, dude.
That's just you,
All
dude.
on you.
Jared,
Come do this one.
Jared, should I save my money to upgrade my CPU, GPU, and motherboard and use 2 GPUs with lossless scaling? Is that the new meta? Is that the new meta to use 2 GPUs with lossless scaling? Esme, thank you so much for the follow. Really appreciate you. Hi, Axo on TikTok. Oh, what's going on? Axo's on TikTok. What's going on? Do y'all have a Discord? Yes, we do. Wait, no. Sorry. I read this wrong. He said, and I quote, do y'all have a disorder?
Ah.
I think he meant Discord. So yes, discord.gg/metapcs.
No,
but
I think they meant what they
yeah,
meant.
I do have a disorder, dog. It's called being cool. It's called
Being too lit, man.
It's called being. I can't make the jokes I want to make.
Yeah, I was waiting a minute. I'm too hip.
Woo!
too with it.
I'm too cool, man. I take medication every morning for my disorders. And I forgot to do it today. Yeah, Discord. No, I figured that's what you meant, dude. I mean, it was funny still. Do you guys want to see this bad boy with the panels on and boot it up, maybe?
I think that's what we're gonna do.
Really? Just for me?
No, for
Oh.
Gordon. For the homie Gordon.
For Gordon. Shout out Gordon.
Shout out to homie Gordon.
Make a cardboard PC? No. What monitor are you using right now? I think this is just like a generic one. King of Monkey, thank you so much for the follow over on TikTok. Really appreciate you. Being too cool is called freezing, Jared, so go get a blanket. No, I'm a little toasty right now.
I was asking around for a blanket.
I'm
this
very
morning.
cozy this morning, actually. Peter, thank you so much for the follow. Really appreciate you. What do you need to build a PC, including accessories? What is needed for what? Why are PC connections so complicated? Let's see. Lola, this is... I'll be so honest with you. A Phillips head screwdriver and some Moxie is probably the only thing you need to build a PC. As long as you know where things go. That's the thing. Lola, thank you so much for the follow. And Tallgrass, thank you so much for the follow as well. Are we booting, my boy?
Yeah. I'm gonna not put these back panels or front panels on just yet. We'll wait for just a second, but I'll show off.
Bad mojo if you
front
put them on
one here if you wanna take a gander at that.
That looks sick. Yeah, that thing's crazy.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Hey, LTT
Let's get it
screwdriver.
turned on.
Not sponsored, but LTT, reach out. I will.
Yeah, give me another one. This one's like 2 years old. It still works great. but,
This one's like a month old, and it's still amazing. I love it. This is custom print limit airflow. No, it is not. The custom print does not limit
not
airflow
at all. Actually, you can see here up top. That's a great question. If you watch the newest video from a guy that you might know, Dan Cam, you know him.
Oh,
You know
Dan Kim. Yeah, I know him.
He showed this off too. This is one of our favorite features. The print, it doesn't obscure the flow at all. It goes right through, or the grate is like, it still
Yeah.
goes right through. It's
Yeah.
on top of the grate.
It's printed on
So,
top of the grate.
It's not
so
it's not a wrap or a film. This is
it's a print. Yeah, it's
so
a print on there.
No impedance of airflow.
None
involved
at
there.
all. Rexton, a Galaxy. Oh my goodness! Thank you so much for the
Whoa,
Galaxy,
there's a
Rex.
Galaxy. Let's
I
go
didn't.
do these things.
Sorry, I got distracted by the cool case. I did not see the Galaxy from Rex. Thank you so much, my dude. That is awesome. You guys are incredible. Thank you. Wow, and then we got a ton of great gifts. Another one? Shut up, dude.
Get out of town.
Get out of town, dude. You didn't yell booting. I'm so sorry. I got distracted by the Galaxies over on TikTok.
Booty.
Opinion on kebabs? I love. A Galaxy is a very high gift on TikTok. A Galaxy on TikTok. I don't even know how much it is.
I have no idea.
But that's insane, dude. Thank you so
What do we
much.
think of this print, guys? What do we think of this final form? One of these really quick. Boom.
Oh, you're just sticking up the RGB. Bless you.
Do not sneeze on this guy's new build.
uh,
Here's the back. Printed on all sides.
someone said I'll give you. That's about $20. It's still a pretty big gift, dude. Thank you so much, Rex. That's awesome,
Nice.
my guy.
You guys are awesome.
Thank you so much, dude. That's huge. Thank you so much, Rex. That's amazing, dude. We need the green, dude. Yeah, I think a green and purple lighting situation here would be,
Ooh, that'd be nice.
absolutely fire. Super cool stuff. Thank you guys so much for the gifts and stuff. I said it on YouTube already, but I'm not sure why. But when I plug in my Ethernet into my PC, it doesn't work. I'm not sure if it's something to do with the router in the dorm room or if it's just a PC problem. I would honestly maybe go for router in your dorm room, if I had to be honest.
Did you turn off your Wi-Fi? It'll prioritize that.
Came from TikTok while doom scrolling? Well, thanks, Axel. Are they single? We're not single. Neither one of us are single. No.
Oh no.
Don't get it twisted, guys. What's the motherboard in the case? The case for this guy is our Night Reaper case. And the motherboard is an X870?
Yep. So this is an X870 tough gaming board from ASUS, and this is our Night Reaper case print. You can check this out at MetaPCs, along with all of our other incredible case prints, guys. You should definitely take a look. And if you want something that's completely custom, we can do that too. If you like the idea of putting a print like this on your system, as long as the panels are flat, we got you.
The Ninja Ripper, yeah, that's
Ninja
right.
Ripper, yeah. New
New name. This is wicked. Thanks, guys.
Yes.
We do not only read YouTube chat, we do read TikTok chat as well, and we are going to be rating Synapse today, not Cole.
I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna get this out the way.
64 gigs of DDR4, 32 gigs of DDR5. I'd go 32 gigs of DDR5 if I were you.
Big shout out to Gordon. Thank you again so much for letting us
Yeah,
get this
dude.
on camera for you. It was awesome. You have a great config, a great build, and thank you again for reaching out. So.
Yeah,
Awesome.
guys, if you guys want to get your setups ready or built live on stream too, the only thing you guys need to do is head on over to Meta PCs, go to the custom configurator, then put it in the notes that you would like to have your PC built on stream. We would love to do that for you live on stream, and then we'll reach out with a time and stuff to make sure we can coordinate and everything like that. How much are the custom cases? We do have some custom cases available, I believe, on Amazon. If you want to go look those up, we do have these. We do sell just the cases on their own.
Yep.
So if you guys want to build in one of our beautiful case prints, you guys can definitely do that. Check us out on Amazon.
If you're talking like a custom print that you design, you should get with Drew. He
Yep.
can help you out with that and talk of price and all that kind of stuff.
Yo, can I buy a PC from somewhere? You sure can. If you look us up, Meta PCs. Look us up. We would love to get a new PC in your guys' hands. If you go to our profile, you can also go to our link tree and all that fun stuff. We have a lot of great PCs for you guys to check out. Yeah. Got custom cases. We can also build you guys a PC in a custom case print.
Yeah.
That's one of our Night Reaper builds. That's on the ready to ship page. You guys can just go and buy one of those, and it's on the way to you next business day. Night Reaper is an absolutely insane build. Not even my favorite case print that we currently offer.
Gordon changed some parts
Yeah.
around in theirs, but they kept the Night Reaper
Right.
print, which was really
Yeah,
cool.
yeah. All right, guys, we're going to go head on over and start doing some setup ratings. If you guys didn't know, we rate setups every single day here on the Meta PCs broadcast. The only thing you guys need to do is head on over to our Discord, discord.gg/MetaPCs. After you guys do that, make sure you react to the rules in the rules channel and then send your setup in the See My Setup channel. We would love to rate your guys' setups live on stream. And we're going to head on over to our desktop. Yeah. This is a cool one, man. This is a little portable monitor here. We got a laptop set up here, topography desk mat. Not as cool as our Hyper Beast desk mats, which if you're on TikTok, you can get on the TikTok shop. If you're everywhere else, you can look up shop.metapcs and figure that stuff out. MetaPCs desk mat, super cool stuff. Would be cooler with the desk mat, but we got a PS4 in the corner, the laptop. I like this, dude. I want to buy a PC. Well, you're in the right place for that. MetaPCs. Look us up.
Yeah, this is cool, man. It's got Sasuke background. This is like a PlayStation setup, right? Like, or I mean, laptop. Like,
It's a
they
solid
got,
setup,
Yeah,
dude.
they got a little collection of PS4
PlayStation
games.
Yeah,
PS4 games. Cool. Yeah.
I think it's PS4.
PS4. Yeah. Very cool.
Spider-Man on PS4. I like that they actually have physical media.
This is super sick.
Nugum, I've come for Kyle. I don't know if he's around today. Thank you so much for the roses over on
Saw him
TikTok.
looking
Really
dapper
appreciate
in
you
a
guys.
leather jacket.
Dude, not only was he looking japper in a leather jacket, you know what kind of jacket he was wearing?
Tell me.
A ROG jacket. ROG. What an...
ROG leather jacket. What a dapper gentleman.
Are you guys giving stuff away? We're not giving stuff away today, Justin, but we do have giveaways on a regular basis, so make sure you guys are following us everywhere, so that way we usually announce it on there. Huh?
Oh,
You followed me everywhere? Thank you.
great.
Oh, and he's gone. Oh, never let go, Jack.
Don't look up.
Yeah, make sure to follow us on all of our socials and all that fun stuff. That is the best way to stay up to date when we are doing giveaways. Jared, make an EVGA case. Ooh, that'd be cool, Axo. That'd be super cool. Double the music audio? Okay, fine. Yeah. Prices start at $8.99 for our PCs. Prices start at $8.99. The only place to check that out is metapcs.com.
The 3.5. 3.2.
3.5.
3.2.
Oh,
3.2.
oh, okay. I'm gonna go 3.3 on this one. Let's see. Oh, dude,
Whoa.
how'd you get an X50 that fast?
You goaded. They must have done the
You're
pre- they must
goated,
have done the
dude.
pre-order
You should have.
situation, yeah.
Bro, can you send me a PC if you send me money?
Okay. So I have thoughts because this is cool. I
Okay.
like the X50. I think is that the red colorway? I
Yeah,
think
it looks
is?
like the red one.
The red colorway is really sick. I'm interested in your thoughts. Split keyboards. What do we think about that? I hate it, and I hate the idea of using it.
So
Yeah, I
here's
think
the
it looks
thing.
bad.
Here's the thing about the keyboards. If it's one of those keyboards that like you can put it back together and it's full, and then you can take it apart,
Sure.
that's sick. If it's one of the keyboards that is just constantly separate,
I don't
hate
like
it.
ergonomic
Yeah.
keyboards. They just look weird. I don't know. Cool. I mean, you got the mouse mat, obviously. You gotta love that.
I mean, it's a Star Wars mouse mat. Listen, it's
It's
not
like-
as cool as our Hyper
I was
Beast.
gonna say, is it?
It's definitely now. hear me out here. With the X50, the Hyper Beast in full color. Because that's a splash of color in a setup, the X50. This would also be a huge splash of color. Like I said, if you guys are in TikTok shop, you're already in the best place to check that stuff out. Also, our hats and our merch and stuff, best place to check that out too. Head on over to TikTok shop. Everywhere else, though, there should be a link sitting in your
We're
chat
getting
here.
high
please,
scores in
a second.
chat for this setup.
High
guys. What do we
scores in
think? What
chat.
are we thinking?
Ooh.
I'm saying 4s, 4.6, 5 out of 5s.
Guys, we do rate these out of 5, just so you know.
Out of 5, but
Out
you
of
can
5.
extrapolate that out to whatever you'd prefer.
Yeah.
I'm going to go with, and I like this, like a 3.5.
I'm going to go a 3.3.
Okay. I like the SL Infinity fans. This looks really sick, dude. This is a good
The
board.
music's
It's like-
echoing. See, someone asked me to turn up the music, and then like it was a bad thing. Can't trust chat. I can't trust chat. That's what I found out today, guys. I can't trust chat.
A good 1 terabyte NVMe would be the Kingston NV2.
Yes,
that's a
Kingston
great
MB2. Yep. I love it.
There's
I hate it. 3.3.
Tis good.
Tis okay.
good.
Tis okay. Ooh, a little green.
Whoa, a little hologram basketball kind of.
Oh, I
vibe.
like that.
Look at
That's kind of cool.
This guy hoops.
This guy knows ball.
Kobe.
This guy knows ball for sure.
Type vibes.
Type vibes. We got Epic Games, Gigabyte Control Center. I know your struggle there, brother. You're not in there alone. Skinny Skylines, nice.
What do we got going on here?
Paradox Launcher, what is that? I like it just as power spec.
What is Paradox Launcher? I've heard of that.
I have heard of that too. I
What's
don't know what it is.
Paradox? What studio is that?
I hate this. I hate the wrist rest being too long. Meta mouse mat would make this so much better, but you do have a G502.
Oh yeah, I think I'm getting a new keyboard to match my mouse mat.
Are
not
you?
my wrist rest length because it does also bother me. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
I too have GCC. Why can't I control the RGB? Now you know the struggle, huh? Dude, I wish I knew, brother. If I worked at Gigabyte, I would let you know.
Control Center? Is that what
Yeah.
yeah. Is it? It's notoriously difficult to use.
How do I send my setup? Maximum, if you want to send your setup in to get rated on stream, discord.gg/metapcs. After you do that, make sure you react to the rules in the rules channel, and then all the channels should open up for you. This is fine. I'm going to go 3. Yeah, it's not offensive. I do have some critiques, but like overall, definitely not
Do
bad.
we need to get them a mouse mat?
We need a mouse
Like,
mat for sure.
I don't like what they got going on there, but I'll
Yeah.
go like a 3 as well.
Hey, Bunny, are you still in chat? If Bunny is still in the chat, this is Bunny's PC. This is from, like I said, dude, we so nailed it. This has to be like a 4070. 47. I think he said it was a
I don't know.
360.
I think that looks a little too. The edges are too sharp to be a 4070, but it
Fair
is definitely 30 series.
I've been through the struggle, yeah. 4 sticks. Oh, is that mismatched?
That's what I was typing in the chat is because you said it was having trouble posting. I was like, I hope those are dummy sticks in there because if
it's
they're mismatched
mismatched.
RAM, that
That's
could be
gonna
why
be
it's
your
not.
reason.
Yeah, that leads to instability. If I remember correctly, that was what your issue was. And I saw that and I was like, that's the comment I was typing, and then I didn't send it.
Said they
and
didn't
I'm
even notice the
mad.
1-of-1 AIO cover that I designed and printed myself. Adon, are you serious? That's pretty cool, dude.
You did that? That's sick.
Okay, 5 out of 5. I changed my mind. I still don't like your keyboard. I hate your keyboard, actually. I like that though.
I hate
The slots 2 and 4. Yep, slots 2 and 4. Yep. This is from Bunny. Bunny, this is not a bad system. I'm gonna give it a solid 2.8.
I'm going to assume those are dummy sticks.
I'm gonna hope.
And hope they're dummy sticks, and that'll give it like a 2.75.
Arthur, don't call me out on my shame in the
If
chat.
they are not dummy sticks and you have mismatched RAM, that's no good.
Yeah, that's no good. Bunny, hit us up. We would love to help you out in the Discord.
got
Our
it.
Discord peeps would love to help you out. Yeah, just wow.
Got a Strix card.
We love a Strix card. I like the curly Q cable for the keyboard.
Yeah, those are really nice, like cable modules.
Yeah.
right?
See, this is.
LCD, Lee and Lee, TL Warriors fans, beautiful.
Oh, what? New.
Is this the Hydro Shift cooler? Is it?
No,
What case is this?
I don't know, but I like it. This is. Ooh,
You sure this isn't? Whoa, wait. The radiator's in the back
yeah.
because there's glass on the top.
I mean, this is already getting high marks from me.
It got an edge power supply. I'm certain of it. A white edge power supply. Corsair, is that Dominator RAM?
Yeah.
Yeah,
2 sticks, dual channel, love it.
of course.
I mean, 4 out of 5.
beautiful, gorgeous.
So O11D. Okay, that's what I thought it
That's
might
the
have
old. Yeah. Okay. Yes. I have this.
been. For who is this?
For mouse mat.
Chris on top. I'm just giving you a slight recommendation here. Slight recommendation, dude.
Probably.
Slight recommendation here. Slight recommendation there. Man, I thought I was about turning old 8V monitors into a PC. Oh, that's cool. I like this.
Oh, oppressor, your graphics card died. I really hate to hear that.
Oh,
That's
dude,
the
I'm so
worst thing I
sorry.
could
That's the
hear
worst.
today.
That's the worst
I'm so
fate any
sorry.
gamer could ever have.
This is big. This is 4 out of 5. Easy. Like,
Yeah.
This is crazy nice.
Easy 4 out of 5 for sure.
Love it.
Oh, dude, another one. Was this a 4080? 4080 Super?
Wow.
Big Zotac fan here. Criminal. Criminal's a big Zotac.
fan here.
Big
I like
Zotac
Zotac.
fan.
Zotac makes great stuff.
Yeah, they do.
We
They
just
make
put a
great
Zotac
stuff.
5070 Ti in Gordon's build here.
We
It's great.
sure did. I'm in the Discord, but I don't see where to submit mine. You need to head on over to the rules channel. React to the rules in the rules channel. I just need you guys to. The rules in the rules channel is going to be
Hit
the
that
most
little
important.
check mark there, and you'll see all the things open up after you read the rules.
Play a iMac from 2013 for a day, like in a video. Okay, I just. You want to do some stuff? No. Okay, I'll be here. You
Use
shush.
IMAX.
Stop that.
This is cool. It's
Cool.
rainbow. Don't like that.
Don't like the
Pick
rainbow.
a solid color.
You two have great mustaches. Thank you.
Dude, nice. You're the first person in my life to ever tell me that. Everyone has always been like, ew, get that off your face.
Ooh,
Like, okay, my
Indie
bad.
Pumps has a really good opinion here. This is an opinion here. Honestly, if a build costs over $1,000, you should focus more on aesthetics than performance. I have a 5070 and a 9600X. My PC looks mid, but I'd rather have a 7500 and a 9060 XT in an all-white build.
I don't know if I fully agree, but I,
don't-
know what you're saying.
I don't fully
understand.
agree. I don't fully agree with that, but I hear you.
There's a point where if you're spending a certain amount of money, you obviously want to make it look like you want it, like what you would want, right?
Mhm.
I think 1,000's too low for that. I think 1,000 is a budget where you're still really focused on performance. I think even 1,500 is a budget where you would really still want to focus almost entirely on your performance over aesthetics. But I think as you get up higher, 2, 3, 4, 5, then yes, now it's time to start. Okay, maybe I want to get these little nicer fans because it looks
Yeah,
better.
I
right?
would say 2K.
Yeah.
I would say once you cross that like 1.5 number, you're like, all right, I'm
Yeah.
already in too deep.
No, I get what you're saying though, and I do somewhat agree with your stance that
Yeah,
there should be aesthetics should be taken into consideration if you're spending that kind of money. Right?
and I fully agree. I fully agree with you. I just don't know if we weigh the aesthetics the same across the board, but I like this a lot, dude. I'm gonna give it a 3.8.
3.8, yeah, I'm gonna go like a 3.7.
Ooh, nice.
3.7.
I'm an Orusian, so I'm used to how GCC works, dude. I wish I was, man. I wish I was. This is from GJ Styles. GJ Styles.
Okay.
This looks like we're mid construction on this desk, by the way. This I would assume, because there's no PC.
No, dude, the PC is mounted on the wall.
Oh.
It's a wall-mounted PC.
Wall
brother.
PC. Wall PC. Wall PC.
This is sick. This is sick, and they have like the little changing station,
Yeah,
like
dude.
you
Yeah,
go behind the thing and change.
No, but they're definitely doing some maintenance on here,
Oh,
right?
certainly,
At least.
certainly.
Yeah. So like I'm gonna give them a little bit of credit here.
This is crazy cool. They have the softbox light mounted. They got the PC on the wall. I assume they have another light. That's what that is. Maybe a web. Maybe like a.
It's a good setup, dude.
Dude, this is cool.
I'm gonna
Everything-
give it a 3. I'm gonna give it a 3 because it's still under construction.
It
I
looks
wanna
like
see the
there's
final.
another setup over there where with that ring light. You see what
Even
I'm saying?
cooler.
Yeah, this is pretty cool. I'm gonna go 3.5. I'm curious.
Thigh Bean, I might be able to answer that monitor question for you. What do you got? Dragons. This is from Dragons in the chat. Oh, we got some Monster Hunter, huh? Monster Hunter type beat.
Is that what that is?
I like the wallpaper. The little knight guy. That's pretty cool. Where to send photos? Discord.gg/metapc. See my setup channel after you react to the rules.
It's a very thin and tall.
Yeah.
Long, tall, and handsome on that one.
I'm gonna go with a 2.8.
2.8. Wow. That's,
Yeah,
I'm thinking like
2.8.
in the 3s. I'm thinking like a 3.3. This is nice. End of the bed setup. This is cool. Get you a mattress topper though. That looks like a thin mattress.
Yeah, brother. Listen, well, wait. Meta PCs do lives? Yeah, every single day.
weekday?
Every single weekday from 10 to 2.
4 hours a day. What?
Mountain Standard Time. Okay.
We're coming into like our 3rd or 4th month streaming. I actually don't even remember now. I don't know. We've been doing this for a minute. And you guys, a lot of you have been with us since the start, and it's amazing. A lot of you guys are new, and we welcome you. It's awesome. We love this.
I would love to answer a monitor question for you. What's the Discord's called? Meta PCs.
Discord.gg/Meta
PCs. It's from Dutch Freaks. Dutch Freaks in the chat.
Oh, this is cool too.
Yeah, it's also cool.
Their exposure's again too high though, right?
Yeah.
Like,
Oh, I think it's a focus on this one.
uh,
This one's focused because this is. I think this is supposed to look blowed out
it's just it just looks
a little bit.
a little. Is that Black Ops or is that?
Yeah, Black Ops. What a
What are
nerd,
we-
dude. What a nerd, brother.
So Black Ops 7 came out, right?
Oh, man. People don't like Black Ops.
Is that what the meta
People
is?
are- people are upset that- people
are we
are-
upset about Black Ops 7? guys?
Yeah, people are upset about Black Ops 7.
Interesting.
Black Ops 3. This is a Black Ops 3.
Black Ops
wallpaper.
3 hits different. Black Ops 3 was great. Black Ops 2 was great. I played Black Ops 2. Zombies a lot when I was young.
I played Modern Warfare 3 Zombies a lot, dude. Kino der Toten. You know what I'm saying? Oh, that was Black Ops. Kino der Toten was Black Ops.
That's Black Ops 3, yeah. That's
Yeah,
Kinder
yeah.
der Toten.
Kino der Toten. Yeah, dude. I remember playing, what was the one over Modern Warfare? That was, there was just the abandoned house, right? Yeah,
I
it
have
was.
no idea.
Yeah,
Yeah, no, that case is that all USB on the front?
yeah, all
It's
USB
just like
all
1,
the
2,
time.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 USB
All
port? What is
USB all the time for this guy, dude. Refunded my copy of Black Ops 7 as you should have.
this? Really?
Oh, we didn't rate this, dude. We didn't rate it.
We didn't.
I was like, I got so excited about.
Okay, Logitech keyboard, cool. Speakers, cool. PlayStation, cool. 3.
Yeah, I was thinking 3
3.
too.
Monitor gap, not cool.
I'm getting a 9700X with 97XT. Would you recommend getting a 4K monitor or 1440p? 1440p for that one. 1440p for sure.
That case is cool though. I do like that.
Cool case. This guy knows what he's doing. This guy knows what he's doing. All right, this bowl of cereal, love.
Probably does his milk before cereal the way it's intended.
No, not at all. Whatever this is. Does anybody know what this is?
I was gonna say, is that a Switch? No, it's a Wii U, brother.
Shut up.
That's a Wii U.
Look at the bezels on
That's
that
a
thing,
Wii
dude.
U. I had a
Look
Wii
at the
U,
bezels
dude.
on that thing, dude.
That
What are
was
we
one of
talking
the
about?
only consoles I owned when I was a child. I think I was like 12 or 13, and I wanted to play some video games. And I was like, all right, I'm gonna go buy a console. What should I buy? I went to the Walmart, and my mom was like, I'm gonna get a Wii U. And so I had a Wii U. That was the only console I had for like.
I had a Wii for like.
I think I had it for like a few months, and I gave it to my friend because I never used it.
Wii U is
that's a
honestly
Wii
great for
U,
homebrew
bud.
right now. Oh,
That's what I heard.
You're
I heard
so
the
dumb,
Wii U
Jared.
is making a comeback in terms
First
of,
of all-
the hacking.
First of all, don't call me dumb.
Don't call me Jared.
Oh.
Oh.
No, dude, this is fine, man. It's fine. It's a Wii U. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna give it a 3.2.
Sure. I like the Wii U, I like the deodorant, I like the cereal. I'm gonna go 3.
Nice. Sekiro, Shadows Die Twice. Is this a retro game? Nice, dude. Oh, dude, we got some game. Oh, this guy's a gamer, dude. He's got his thing on the wall,
we got a
dude.
gamer.
We got a gamer in chat, dude. This guy's
Is that just an RGB
gamer.
strip that goes straight across the... Oh, wait. Okay, no, the lens is just very confusing. No, it is.
That is an RGB strip that just goes straight across. I'm gonna give this a 2. Canna Man, thank you so much for the follow.
This is bad.
Amy Pumps, you need to react to the rules in the Discord server.
I'm gonna give it like a 1.99 because this I don't like it. I don't like
I'm giving it a 2. Why
I
is it
don't
all
mind the
slanted?
flooring. Yeah, I don't mind the flooring. Good
Yeah,
flooring.
I'm gonna give it a 2, gang. This is the Fallout one I was telling you about.
Oh, wow, this is sick.
hmm
This is beautiful. I love
Like I said,
this.
it's not like full on Fallout
No,
theme.
no,
They
but
could
this
easily
is really
change it.
cool. Yeah, that's a great color combination on those Lee and Lee fans. Maybe I'd go for that. I
Yeah.
might go for like yellow and.
I think I do the black fans though with the yellow and blue, not the white.
Yeah.
Man, look cooler.
I
But
go like yellow and purple. 'Cause that's like LSU colors.
I go.
Shout out Louisiana State University. Love y'all.
I mean, I gotta go red and gold. Go Devils. Forks up. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, go Tigers. GEAUX, baby. That's French.
Go Devils.
We don't like that. Wait a minute.
We don't like the French.
We don't like that.
We don't like the French. You know what ASU doesn't have?
French.
The French.
The French.
Go Devils.
We didn't catch a French at ASU. That's not true. Ludwig went to ASU.
Who?
You know Ludwig. streamer guy.
Ludwig the
He went to ASU, yeah.
did he?
Yeah.
Shout out Ludwig, dude.
Shout out Lud.
Shout out my alumnus, dude. Scotty K looking PC. Yeah, honestly.
This is sick. This is sick.
This is
I
cool,
like
man.
this a lot.
Is there criteria for pics to be selected? Beast, we go through all the pictures. Every one of them.
We get to everybody, and we're actually finally caught up after
Yeah, months.
we were months behind. We did it.
Unless you guys send something like super inappropriate in,
we're not gonna
we're not.
obviously
Yeah,
show
obviously,
that.
like, come on, like, be
But we really
smart
don't.
about it.
Yeah, you guys behave. I like it. It's
Yeah,
awesome.
you
get
guys
to see a
behave.
lot
You
of
guys
really
are
cool
doing all the
setups.
good stuff. Yep. You guys are doing your setup stuff. We love it.
4.5 out of 5. Super
4.6 out of 5.
Super sick.
We got. That's my Fallout PC. Show the other themes. I don't have the other themes right now, Joe. I'm sorry. I don't have the other themes right now. Dude, I was telling him though that you did it really smart on this one because I picked like the best theme that I thought was the coolest. But honestly, you did it really smart because there's nothing permanent in here that you can't change out later, which I think is really smart. If you're gonna be theming a PC, do you refresh the pics? No, we don't. What do you mean?
If you change your setup and you want to send in an update, we can
Yeah, we can do that,
Put
yeah.
you back in line and show you.
But
off, right?
it depends on how different your setup.
Yeah, if
is.
it's the same exact picture, we're not going to show it twice.
Right,
Like,
yeah.
just-
I do
yeah.
look at the past pictures and go, are these the same? They're the same. Okay, never mind.
If you added a cup to your setup,
We're
it's
not-
not enough.
yeah.
If you change your PC, change your monitor, whatever.
Yeah.
Well, we might show that off.
Nice to see you got there. Fallout theme looking dope, dude. It's a great PC, my man. How to
Yeah,
join the
that is
Discord?
sick.
Discord.gg/metapcs. After you join the Discord, make sure you head on over to the See My Setup
We
channel.
have to solve 3 riddles first.
Yep. If I send my pick right now, does it come to live? No, that's not how it works. So we do it in the morning before we go live, just to make sure, because we do have to screen stuff to make sure that
Gotta
there's
do some
nothing
vetting,
inappropriate.
guys,
Yeah, we gotta
you
do
know.
some vetting. Come on, you guys know
You
better.
know that. You know how it works.
You know how it works, but yeah, we do our vetting in the morning. But as of this morning, the pictures I had were from yesterday, so that means that we're catching up.
Yeah, so that means tomorrow we'll do the pictures from today. So if you want it in tomorrow, get your pics in today, and
Hopefully.
then come back tomorrow.
Depends on how
Hopefully.
many. It depends on how many of you guys do that, because there's a lot of you guys in
Honestly,
chat
this is
today.
what we're cooking through today.
We're
so.
going. We are
we
going.
might get a day or so, but hopefully we can stay pretty caught up this time. We don't want to get behind like we did last time.
Mr. Manifesting, we can't do it right now. I do need to go through and vet everything. I will. Yep. If there's a checkmark reaction, yep, that's the thing. That's how I keep track. Checkmark reactions. I just sent it. Yeah. I just need to make sure I can vet stuff, guys. I don't have access to Discord down here for that exact reason, because I want to make sure I have time to vet stuff. Sent mine in. Thank you guys so much for that. You guys are awesome. This is
Discord
from
popping off. I love
This
it.
is from King GD. King GD in the Discord. Playing some Fortnite. Can't really see much else, but I think they're playing Fortnite on an Xbox, so you're getting points off.
This is like a 2 out of 5 for me.
Yeah, 2 out of 5.
I don't like that. That looks like an RGB mouse mat.
Yeah.
Don't like it, if I'm being honest. Don't like those. That's just a personal preference. I prefer the Meta PC's mouse mats.
Eurofighter, make sure you react to the rules in the rules channel.
Yeah.
Rules in the rules channel is
gotta
very
react.
important. I have a 3060 to 5632 gigabytes of DDR4. What do I upgrade next? Honestly, you're in a pretty solid spot right now, Canaman. I don't think you're in a spot where you need to upgrade, but if you want to upgrade, the Ember 50 would be a great option for you on the website. Go check us out. LJ Stream, thank you so much for the follow. Really appreciate you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a 2, man. It's fine. Something crazy. This is King Yeet Meat. I listen. I don't make up.
I don't make the
usernames.
names. This is a V100, I think.
Yeah, definitely a V100. Look at it's the dip for
Yeah.
me that shows it off.
Dip.
And also
cool.
the fact that there's a flat thing for him to put his
Yes,
Funko
yes,
Pop
yes,
on.
yes. This
Love
is
that.
definitely a V100. We go Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 cooler. Love that.
Based.
That's awesome. This is great. I love it.
I love that we start talking about like the Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 is a great CPU cooler, and then like for months, just boom, boom, boom. We just keep seeing them, and I love them. It's
Yeah,
great.
yeah.
Showing setups. Yeah, we are showing setups right now. This is from our Discord, discord.gg/metapcs. This is setups from you guys.
It's a very cozy background, very lo-fi, very vibe.
Can you build with the 9070 XT in the back tomorrow? I mean, this one? Oh, the Tai Chi 9070 XT. This is a box, gang.
Box?
This is a box, gang.
Nothing in it, guys.
Nothing in it, guys. Whoa.
Sorry.
Whoa. It's doing flips, dude. It's been there for a week for you, Beast. It might be... Beast, did you send in multiple photos? It might be one of our ones that I've been kind of putting off. I'm sorry. Ow, my arm, dude. The box hit me in the
Oh
arm.
no.
It hurt it.
Oh no.
I like this. I'm gonna give it a... Is this Gear 5? I think that might be Gear 5 Luffy.
This is sick. I'm gonna go like a 3.5 out of 5.
Mm.
And Jared, I think I'm gonna go run
Yeah,
now
you're
and
good.
grab our next.
We can go ahead and grab the next one. Beast, I'm gonna see if I can find yours real quick in the chat.
I'll be right back, guys.
It's like a Vector V100, solid bang for your buck case. It's a really solid case for sure. It's a great case. Beast, I'm gonna see if I can find yours. No, it got reviewed, but I don't know what stream you did it. Okay, gotcha. Get better with your arm, Jared. Yeah, dude, I don't know what I did, bro, but it feels like I like tried to snap it in half for a second. I don't know what happened. Do you see my setup made by code yet? I have not seen your setup made by code yet, Music Meme Gods. I would love to see it though. What's your Discord? Discord.gg/metapcs. Make sure you guys are checking that bad boy out. It's my favorite model of the 9070, dude. Tai Chi cards look sick. I'm gonna give this a solid 3. This is a good setup, man. Solid 3. No, 3.6 out of 5. And then we got this one from Rose. This is from Rose in the chat. I do like this PC actually. A little oddness on the RAM here, but not bad. I mean, a little odd. I'm not sure what the story is. I'm sure that you know what you're doing here to some extent. What are we playing? What is this? This is cool looking. I like this. I'm gonna give this a solid 3.2, 3-point twizzy, if you will. If you guys want to get your setups rated live on stream, so I do use Arch. Yep, I do. I do use Arch. If you guys want to get your setups rated live on stream, the way this works, right? The way this works, guys, is I go through in the morning when I get to work, and I go, all right, whose setups do I need to review? I go through, I go to the last check mark that I did, and I go, okay, cool. Boom, 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 boom. Take a few after that, right? Put them into a Google Drive, so that way we can have access to them. I vet them and everything first like that. So if you sit in your stuff today, you got lucky because hopefully, depending on how many of you guys sent in stuff, we should be able to have yours set up rated tomorrow. So make sure you guys are joining the Discord, discord.gg/metapcs, and head on over to the See My Setup channel after you react to the rules. Really do appreciate you guys being here. I use Arch too. Nice, dude. Can I buy a PC for $900? You sure can. The Flux is going to be a great system for you. Prices start on our website at $899 for our pre-built system, so make sure you check that stuff out. We are Meta PCs everywhere. Where's Zach at? He is around, I promise. Jared, why do your choices on your website absolutely no Aorus? What are you just a big Aorus fan, Axo? Is that what it is? Mine was in yesterday, but you guys didn't get to it. Toxic, we will be getting to it today, hopefully. Today is the day. We are trying to get through all of the setup ratings today. Actually, Toxic, let me see if I have a second. Depending on how fast David comes back with this build, I might have a second to see if I can find yours. Toxic, there we go. I found it. Since you're here, I'll go ahead and read it for you real quick. Let's see. First of all, you already know I'm going to critique your taskbar here. A lot of icons. A lot of icons in the taskbar. Don't hate it. Are you still on Windows 10, Toxic? Can I have a free PC? No, you cannot. How is the current RAM pricing affecting your pre-builds? They're not yet. They're not yet. I'm a Orusian. I tried telling you you were too focused on reviewing builds. I'm sorry, Axel. Yep. Okay, you're still on Windows 10, so you got the long-term support thing, right? You're being safe and smart, Toxic. Would it work if I paired two 24 sticks of 6,000 megahertz CL30 with two 48 sticks? No, that would not work. It's in support coming in clutch. Good, I'm glad. The reason that wouldn't work is because you have two different capacities and two different speeds. They're not the same kit. That used to be a thing, but not anymore. So, posting an update on my setup. Thank you, Music Meme Gods. Really appreciate you. Ooh, okay. Aorus is my favorite. This is a personal preference. Okay, I think a lot of people go for ROG. I think that's why. I think it just goes for like market, like what people are buying. I'm not really sure how it works or like how they choose the parts for that stuff. But I know for me, I'm not a big brand guy. I know I've made that a very clear point in the chat that I'm not a very big brand guy when it comes to choosing parts. So like I'm more of a, as long as it works and it goes in my system and it looks decent, that's all that really matters for me. So I just don't think it's really me. Yeah, sorry guys. Yeah, I do get really involved in the ratings. I do get pretty involved in the ratings. Sorry about that. But I mean, I think that's what you guys want, right? You wouldn't be sending in your ratings in if you didn't want me to get involved in it. You know what I mean? I'm looking for stuff. I like this controller. Is this like a, what controller is that? That looks cool. I like this power strip in the back here. The wallpaper looks sick. I wish it wasn't Rainbow Puke. So Toxic, those are Reverse Blade fans. Nice. I don't like the Rainbow Puke. I'll be totally honest with you, but I'm gonna give it a solid 3.6. I do like this a lot. I do like this. This is a good setup. It's a good setup, my man. If you guys want to get your setups ready live on stream, the only thing you need to do is head on over to our Discord, discord.gg/metapcs. After you guys do that, make sure you head on over to the rules channel, react to the rules, and then see my setup. It's one of the latest posts in the Discord. HK, I will definitely try to at one point. It's not Rainbow Puke. It's not called Rainbow Puke. It's called RGB. Ratings are cool. Cool, I'm glad. It's 5200 megahertz RAM. Okay, it's okay. It's just not great. The goal is around 6000 CL30. Messed up by uploading my setup, and now I have to wait 6 hours. Oh, not cool. I'm sorry, dude. It looks different now, but this is when it was freshly built. Nice, dude. That's sick. I figured, yeah, you would probably change the RGB. Hey man, should I go with a 6800 XT or a 5060 Ti 16 gig? I would probably go with a 5060 Ti 16 gig. It's the architecture is really good, more efficient. But depends on also too, like, what are you planning on playing at? Are you going to be playing at 1440p? Because 1440p, the 6800 XT does beat out the 5060 Ti in 1440p. I'm pretty sure. I haven't done like a one-on-one test versus those two, but now it's Joker themed. Nice, dude. That's sick. But I do think the 5060 Ti overall is going to be a better choice for you. The 6800 XT definitely beats it in raw performance, but if we're talking about just like modern day architecture, more VRAM, faster VRAM, I'd go with the 5060 Ti. Yeah, I'll review it, Axo. I'll definitely review it. 7600 good with a B580 at 1440p. B580 at 1440p, yeah. I would say it's a solid combo. I don't know if you're going to get great performance of the B580 at 1440p. I know it can do 1440p. Great performance is another thing, though. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna go put my desktop. Cool, sweet, neato. Would be a good graphics card for VR. For VR, usually I just recommend a good beefy rig. 5070 Ti is what I usually recommend for people because depending on the VR headset you have, it could be rendering on 2 screens, right? So it might be. Let's see. What? Let's see. Would be a good graphics card for VR. Yeah, I always go with like a more of a beefier graphics card for VR just because you're rendering on 2 separate screens. And it's usually a pretty decent quality on that too. I would do a 5070 Ti, 5080, or maybe a 9070 XT depending. But you could get away with lesser cards. It depends on the games you want to play too, how demanding those games are. Yeah, it's just a lot. It could be a lot. Indominus, I did not see the picture you just sent. 5070 Ti or 9070 XT. Depends on if you want DLSS 4 goodness. If you want the DLSS 4 goodness, 4 times frame gen, all that good stuff. DLSS 4, training on the games, all that stuff. Stream glitch. Oh no. Run a 3060 when I run a Valve Index, dude. Are you excited about the new Steam frame that they're coming out with since you run the Valve Index?
That's what I'm excited for.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, that's the thing that is kind of giving me oh my goodness. We're building the one I've been wanting to build. Let's freaking go.
Yes,
I'm so excited. Can I bring Papa Zach on camera? I think he might be filming stuff right now.
He's a busy man, guys.
He is a busy man. That is very true. He's a busy man. Stream's fine? Okay, cool.
Are we streaming at night, dude? It's like midday. It's 12 o'clock noon for us.
Why are you streaming at night, dude? Because it's noon for us.
Time zones.
Bring
MST,
Cooper on
baby.
camera. Cooper's not here.
Shout out Cooper.
Shout out Cooper, though. We love Cooper.
Yeah. Big
Man.
shout out Cooper.
Ooh, Cooper does the best Moist Critical impression I've ever
He
seen.
does.
Because Cooper just is Moist Critical,
Oh, yeah.
but works at Meta PCs. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Let's go. That's what I'm waiting for. Not really, since I do and make content. Oh, okay, so it's not giving you a great.
I love
Not
my water.
really.
I'll be right back. I need
Zach
my
is a
hydration.
Zach is a busy grandpa. He would be so mad if he heard you say that. Coop is deaf moist. Oh, for sure, dude. Yeah, let's go, baby. That's what I've been waiting for. What I've been talking about. Is that a real 5090 behind David? This one? Also a box, gang. This was at one point. Oh gosh, I'm kidding. I'm joking. It's just a shroud. This was at one point a real 4090, but obviously we water blocked it, so no PCB in there anymore. Just a cooler. Just a cooler. How do I get free FPS on NVIDIA 2070? You gave me a heart attack. See, that's what I'm there for. Been telling him that for years. Dude, I loved Coop. Coop is great. Also designed a PC on y'all's website. Nice, Rex. That's super cool. If you are getting a custom PC from us and you want it to be built on stream, the only thing you guys need to do is put it in the notes that you want to be built on stream. We'll reach out to you guys with the date and time to do all that fun stuff. But that's super cool. That's super cool stuff, man. Sometimes when I'm bored, I'll just go to the customer care and be like, what PC can I build? What PC can I build? He doesn't like it when people call him grandpa. I mean, I don't think anyone likes it when people call him old. One of these days, Jared's gonna make that joke, really drop it, and break his toe, and then be mad at me. Oh yeah, I'm gonna blame it on you for sure. I gotta say for it, but yeah, I will. Bet, dude. That's awesome. Thanks, dude. That's super cool. In my country, it's like midnight. Yeah, it's like noon here, dog. It's like noon here, dog. I have this stream on every morning while getting ready for work. That's awesome, Ozzy. Thank you so much, dude. That's super cool.
We're hydrated.
Are we hydrated,
I'm
dude?
so sorry, guys.
I'm too hydrated.
I'm not hydrated enough.
I
My
might need to go
powder is a little pale. We need to.
I might need to go. My goldfish drowned today. Why'd you take him out of the water?
I'm devastated. I'm so sorry.
Goldfish can only drown if you take them out of the water. So why did you kill your gold?
Why are you murdering goldfish? How it starts. Don't do that.
Might need to pick up some side gigs to get it soon. Want to mess with him? Call him Lobby J and watch his reaction. Okay, I'll do that. I'll definitely try that out. Yeah, we're at the Phoenix location. Cooper's at the Gilbert location. Yeah. So like I wish I could just go
Gilbert.
grab
Shout out all the homies at Gilbert. Shout out all the homies at Peoria.
Mhm.
You guys are all awesome. Like you drowned in the water. Yeah, that's not how that works.
I gotta go to the bathroom.
You gotta go to the bathroom. Go do your thing, brother.
I'm hurt.
I'm gonna talk a little bit about this upcoming build because
Dude,
I'm
I love this
excited
build.
for this, guys. So you may have seen, if you were here yesterday, you may have seen us build in that green X50 case, the new one from Height. It looks crazy. It's all round. It's all soft looking. It's really nifty. We have the pink version today. We're gonna do this one. It's really cool. It's honestly beautiful. I love this one. I love this one. This is the one that my girl really wants, and I might be getting this for her. Don't tell her. Might be getting this for her for maybe a Christmas gift or something like that. I'll do a little PC rebuild on it. It's all curvy. Yeah, it is all. In fact, it is all curvy. Yeah, so I'm really excited to do this. We're gonna actually end up doing all of the colors eventually. We have the red, the purple one, the green, the black, the white. We have all of them. So eventually, I'd love to show them all off here. That's down the road. So we're gonna get started here with this pink one. Drew, you think she watches my streams? Funny. Show us a 120 millimeter fan. I got you. I can do that. And that's a great opportunity to show off these beautiful pink fans from Height. Check out. So this is a 120 mil fan. This is like kind of your standard fan size. I would say standard for most PC builds that you'd use. They also have like 140s. Also have like 80 mil, smaller, larger. But yeah, these are awesome. Height does really well with their colors too. Like this is a really good quality. Like this isn't gonna like rub off. You know what I mean? Same thing with the case. Height always does good with their colors. They're some of the best in the game. Do we do payment plans? Yes, if you're in the U.S., we have financing options available. I would get with Drew, Little Floating Head, and talk about what options there are for you in that regard. I don't think I have a 140 or a 180 here, like easily accessible. But yeah, imagine bigger, more or less, you know. But yeah, these are really beautiful fans. They're great.
They're
and
very
again,
pink.
they are very pink, and you can get color matched fans to match whatever case
that you decide to get, or whatever color you get if you're looking at the X50 or any of Height's other cases. So these things are great. Yeah, dude, look at that.
It's
And like I was
very
telling them,
bubblegum pink.
Height does their colors really well. Like this isn't gonna rub off.
No,
or
this is
anything like
great,
that.
dude.
This is like it's, they've always done. It's not you can tell they didn't just like set it out and rattle can it, right? They actually like.
They
did something to get
They
this
did this
color,
thing.
right? Yeah, this is like a pink plastic mold. Right?
Yeah,
Like,
it's so cool.
It's really cool.
These things look sick. If you didn't know, Gamers Nexus did a great video on how they actually made this case while they were talking. While this case was being unveiled, Gamers Nexus did a great video on how they did this. Danny R, thank you so much for sharing the live. Really appreciate you, my man.
How much for another Miku stream?
A lot of money. A band?
Yeah, $1,000.
A band?
That's significantly more than last time.
Yeah, significantly more than last time. However, we have achieved a band before.
Yeah, but that was for something. That was for.
That was shaving somebody's head. That's
that
true.
was funny.
That was.
I was trying to think, what should our next bounty be? Someone said, "Look behind you," so I turned around.
What's this? What is behind us? Wow, this is nice. Okay.
All right, cool.
Back at it. Miss you guys. Also, oh, that's from Brian. Never mind. That was from earlier. How do I send in my setup? Discord.gg/metapcs.
Right now that Jared's back, I'm gonna jump into this build.
You're
here.
all good, dude.
Let's do it.
That Gamers Nexus video is why I pre-ordered my X50. Yeah, dude.
Nice.
Is Soul not souling? Oh no, Soul, are you okay, bud? What desktop environment do you use? I've been experimenting with Hyperland. It's really cool. Also, you like Linux Rising? I'm not a. I mean, I guess I like it a little bit. I have a go-to like default Linux Rice that I have that I do on a regular basis, but it's usually just with some easy to run stuff. I'm not a big like writing code and stuff like that, but I use KDE.
I'm well into my journey of learning Python. I think I'm doing pretty good too.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah. I've been learning entirely with ChatGPT.
Nice.
So I'm
dude.
probably learning completely wrong.
Oh.
But it's fine. You learn things the wrong way that teaches you how to do stuff the right way.
Exactly. If I could, I would bring y'all some homemade food after I get the PC. Dude, that'd be so sick. Homemade food would be great. Do y'all do payment plans? We do have payment plans available here in the U.S. Hyperland's magic. I like KDE a lot, dude, but that's just a me thing, I guess. Like Hyperland, a lot of people do like that. Hyperland is a tiling window manager. Correct me if I'm wrong here, my Linux boys in the chat. Hyperland's a tiling window manager. So basically, when you open up a new window, it just auto shrinks down your other windows and just like puts it on your screen. It's pretty cool. I like KDE a lot too. I'm not a very big GNOME guy.
All
I don't
of
like
these
GNOME.
things sound like mods for like Windows, like Minecraft mods, but for like your operating system. That's all Linux sounds like to me. Like
Yeah, Danny R, we would make a fan mail series if we ever got fan mail. Send us some fan mail.
There's some guys, you can send us stuff here. Like,
Yeah, you can send
this
us.
is a
Our
public
address is publicly available. Do I get 4 48 gig sticks of Corsair Dominator RAM or stick with Vengeance? Dom RAM ships on December 26th. It depends on what you're going for. If you just want to get it sooner rather than later, I would say go ahead and get it. But Vengeance is fine. Vengeance and Dominator are both fine RAM. I run Linux in a VM, so it's kind of like a mod for Windows in a way. You can run it in a VM, yeah.
I've run Linux in a VM before too. I was on my MacBook and I used like UTM to run because you couldn't use like virtual machine.
Brother, this guy
but,
stinks.
Yeah, I ran it in a.
I
a
love
VM for a while.
Mac, dude.
You have a MacBook. Get
I
outta
know.
here.
I
Wait a
love my
minute, wait a
MacBook. My
minute.
MacBook's great.
Why am I taking it from you? No way.
My MacBook's awesome, dude. I'm the Thanos of operating systems.
See, I had the M1 MacBook. I bought it the week it came out, and I was in school, and we were not set up for M1 because like it could not run like VirtualBox. And so my teacher had to create an entire new lesson plan for me. So I had to download a different program, and the teacher had to learn, or my professor had to learn that program
That's really
alongside
funny,
me,
actually.
and it was cool because I'm like, you can't punish me for adopting new technology. I'm in a tech class.
Yeah.
Like.
Goose Gang, thank you so much for the follow, dude. That's such a good username. Let's see. Holy 3 cams. Yeah, we have 3 cameras.
Boom, boom, boom.
Yeah. Look at us from different angles.
Do we have 4th cam?
No, we should not get a 4th camera.
I'm sure that'd be super easy on the software side. You got that.
No. Actually, it wouldn't be super hard, but it would not be something I would want to mess around with. I play around with Raspberry Pi, which is basically Linux Lite. Yeah, I mean,
Nice,
that's the
yeah.
same thing with Android,
I've
too.
been looking at that. Raspberry Pi and Arduino, stuff like that.
Yeah. I need to get Yeah, I mean, because like I'm the Thanos of operating systems, right? Like I run Mac on a daily basis, I run Windows on a daily basis, and I run Linux on a daily basis. So you could say
Yeah.
I'm a god. Now
That's true. That's
Okay.
true.
You could say I'm a god. Now I'm good.
I don't know if I told you. I think I might have that. I was considering maybe not going back to school, but taking some classes. I've been looking into like I always wanted to be an engineer when I was a kid.
Yeah.
And now that I'm older and I have more chances to do things, I kind of want to explore that a little bit more. Like I was talking about the Arduino and the like doing projects like that. Engineering projects seem really cool. So I've been thinking about going back and taking some more classes.
That'd be super cool, dude. You should definitely do it. Do it up. Man, education is always one of those things that I highly encourage people to go. Why Linux? You just use Windows. It's not that bad. I just don't like some of the things that that Windows does. Like I'm not a big fan of recall. I'm not a big fan of forcing people to use online accounts. I still do it. I have an online account. And it's fine. Like it doesn't really bother me that much specifically, but that doesn't mean that I don't want to learn other things, right? It's about learning, right? I don't think so, Soul. I think you're good. Honestly, having three operating systems on one PC: Hackintosh, Linux, and Windows. I would try that, but I don't. I have a 5070 Ti, and Hackintosh isn't a thing for that. It's quite painful, but really rewarding when it pays off. Some AMD iGPUs also supported, but it's quite buggy. It's not stable enough to daily drive, but it does work with FaceTime and iMessage. That's pretty cool.
Very cool.
I mean, I just have a MacBook. I have a MacBook Air. That I got the 2025 M4 MacBook Air. I've been using the crap out of that thing. It's awesome. But like, I think it really does go to show that like every operating system has its uses, right? Like everything you do has its uses. For me, for example, I don't think I would use Mac in an office setting. I don't really think I have the need to run Mac in an office setting. But when I'm on the go, having my phone and everything integrate into one seamless ecosystem, super helpful. Super, super helpful.
We lost him to Apple, guys.
You sure did. I have a 4070 Super and an i9 14900KF. Good together. Yeah, I would say it's solid together. That's what I have, but I have a 600 watt power supply, and I ordered a 1000 watt today. Nice. Okay. I mean, I think you should go a little bit higher on your GPU side, but overall, I think you're totally fine. Jared, I missed you. I miss you too, Pip. What's going on, dude? Chill out with the PC build. What even are the parts?
I got you. Have we not gone over specs?
I don't think we have,
You didn't
dude.
go over specs. I'm so sorry. So in this bad boy, we have a 7000 X3D paired with a 5070. We have this cooler here. This is a Thermalright cooler. This is awesome. We're going to be replacing these fans with those pink fans that we showed off here a second ago. And then again, that X50 case, that pink case from Height, that new one. It's going to be a really great build. This is going to be one of our new RTS systems. So again, stay on the lookout for these. You guys that are here on stream are getting kind of an exclusive peek on these. So it's really cool.
A peek behind the curtain, if you will.
Exactly, if you will. So I got you.
Best GPU in the market right now for streaming. Anything with a dual NVENC encoder. So I guess the 5090 technically.
Sure.
But like, we use a 5070 Ti in our rig and it works great.
It's awesome.
It's awesome.
So far, yeah.
So far.
We have 2 days in, but it's
Fingers
been
crossed.
great. Yeah.
It's been awesome. And I fully think that if we were gaming on here too, we would have zero issues. You're not in the shorts anymore. You made them so fun to watch. Thank you so much, Pip. I appreciate that, man. I do appreciate that. I was in some ones recently. It's not like I'm never going to be in a short again, guys. It's just that I'm here for 4 hours a day. It's kind of hard to be in two places at one time. You know what I mean? But I will be in the shorts.
Overlaps a little
Yeah.
bit, unfortunately.
But I will. I'm not gonna be not in the shorts forever. You know what I mean? You wonder how much Jensen's leather jacket costs? Probably a lot, dude. If I send extra money, can I buy a PC outside of the U.S.? Just U.S. and Canada, my friend. I'm so sorry.
Can't do it.
You guys ship to Europe? Just U.S. and Canada, my friend. I'm so sorry, William. Sent it in. Nice, dude. I'm a big fan of you. Thank you so much, RIP. Really, Rip. Really appreciate that. Thank you. Spent 30 minutes looking for a review in the last 3 stream weeks, and I failed to find it, Jared. Oh, dude, Beast, I'm so sorry. Let me see if you're still in the dock. Because if you're still on here, maybe we didn't do it. No, I'm not seeing you in here. What's your name on Discord, Beast? Is it the same as it is on here, or is it different? I'm so unlucky I'm getting a PC at the end of the year. How is that unlucky? I thought that, isn't that lucky?
Oh man, I'm getting a PC. It sucks. No.
Oh, getting a PC is awful. Uncannon Aria.
I'll take it if you don't want it.
Oh, I could.
I'm
do
not
PC.
seeing it in here. LLP QRS. Oh, I do have yours.
Oh, nice.
I'm looking at it right now.
You got this for the day?
Yeah, Uncaden. I mean, Arya. We'll do that next. We'll do
Let's
that
go.
once we finish this build up. My bad.
They must have been in the group that you pulled this morning.
They must have been. Well, they said it was been checked off for like a week, but I don't know. Let's go. Yeah.
Was it checked off by Jared? Because again, the only one that matters is if it's checked off by Jared.
Yeah, it might have not been checked off by me. That might have been the thing. It might have been checked off, but it wasn't checked off by me. That could have been a thing.
Could've just
I have been
someone
noticing
else
that a little bit in the
throwing
Discord.
a check mark out there.
Yeah. Not gonna lie, building a PC is easy. I built my first PC 3 weeks ago. Well,
There you
I
go.
mean,
nice.
it's not hard. It's just not great. For RAM and GPU prices are gonna come up. I don't know if GPU. I hope GPU prices stay where they're at right now. GPU prices are really, really solid. The next
are.
bald Meta PCs member, not me.
Not me.
Not me, brother. Got a head full of hair. We're gonna have a. Never mind. Should I buy an i7 12700 or a 3060 to a 3060 12 gig? That's not a bad setup. 12700 with a 3060 is not bad. Don't have enough money yet. I get that, dude. No? Why not? Why not that config? I'm gonna get a PC for Christmas. Nice, dude. See, that's what we should be. I am gonna get a PC for Christmas. Guys, if you're in the market for a new PC, it's a great time to buy. We got deals going on all November long during Black November. Also, if you guys are in the market for some new cool hats and maybe some cool new shirts.
We got hats, guys. We got shirts.
Yeah, we
This
got
shirt
hat
you
shirts,
can
we
only
got
get.
desk
This
mats.
is an exclusive shirt.
Very
This one.
exclusive. Extremely exclusive. We also have desk mats as well. If you're on TikTok, you're in the best place for that. I swear no cap, it said checked by Jared and it was posted on the 31st.
Interesting.
It's posted on the 31st, huh? That's weird. Beast, I'm seeing yours right now, I swear. I'm looking at it. I'm running AMD FX 8350. Brother. It's not close to mine. And a 5700 XT video card. I'm getting ready to build a new computer. Yeah, you should be, Patrick. Oh my goodness, that's rough, brother. But, dude, I'm excited for you, man. Happy gaming.
Happy gaming.
I'm a first time try a PC because I play on a laptop, dude. That's super cool. Meta PCs is the meta. Thank you guys so much. Is a 9060 real? Yes, it is. The 9060 is real. If your dad is bald, chances are you will be too. That's jokes on you, Ozzy. My dad's not bald. Gang, gang. Arian, thank you so much for liking the live. Really appreciate you. Can I get a PC? I'm broke. Nope. We were the meta before meta was meta, dude.
Just saying.
We were the meta before meta was even meta, dude.
You guys want to check out this bubblegum pink case?
Now, this is something that I think is so cute.
Oh, yeah, you want to show off the little paws?
Dude, the feet are little paws! They're little paws!
They literally look like little paws.
They're so cute, dude!
Check this out.
They look like little paws!
You guys see that?
It's so
Little-
cute!
Little feet.
This is the X50 from Height, dude. This thing is so sick.
So random.
Strawberry pink bubblegum, exactly. I can play Need for Speed at 1080p, but not at 4K. Patrick, do you? That's actually really cool that you can play Need for Speed. If you want to play at 4K, though, man suggests a 5080. They have the toe beans. Yeah, they do, dude. It's so cute.
Mm-hmm.
Is Jared finally building his Barbie setup? Yep, that's for me. This is for me.
This is the Height X50 in strawberry
Milk.
strawberry milk variety.
Is it?
I think
Is that the
that's
actual
actually
color?
what it's called.
It is called strawberry
I'm
milk.
pretty sure
I
it's
sniped that,
yeah, I'm pretty
dude.
sure it's strawberry milk. So we have there's strawberry milk, taro milk, matcha, like there's
Nice,
it's
dude.
like that kind of theme. And look at this thing. What do you guys think? I want some opinions because I know this is probably going to be a controversial case. You know, not everyone's going to love it, but I think it's really sick. So
Is it the same PC Zach made for his daughter? I thought he made it for his wife. Can't remember.
that's the. Yeah,
thought it was his wife.
Yeah, and then she was like, "No, I don't like. I like green."
No, I like green. Question: can the shade pre-built? Can you guys offer at 1440p? Is okay FPS? Seek and destroy. This-
If I remember correctly.
The shade. Let me see the shade. Which one is
That's
the
the
shade?
1440.
Oh yeah, this thing can definitely dabble in
7600,
1440. Yeah, 7600 X with the 9060 XT. That thing can definitely dabble in 1440. I don't know if I would say it's like the best resolution for that system, but it can definitely dabble.
Look at this cool piece of
Um,
curved glass, guys. Isn't this sick? Curved glass just fascinates me. It's just like really cool.
Yeah. So if what was I saying? Oh no, didn't think you were making a jab, Ozzy. My bad. What was I saying? I forgot what I was saying. I'm a budget baller, but I started working and I'm gonna upgrade my GPU, so I'm probably gonna buy an i7 12700 and 3060 12 gig. Nice, dude. All right, that's the one I'm getting my son. Seek and
Nice.
Destroy, dude. This is so cool. The
Grabbing
X50
that
case
shade.
is so
Let's
cool.
go.
Oh, the shade.
The
Oh,
shade.
the shade.
That's what they were talking about.
The shade is awesome, dude. Seek and Destroy. That is so cool, dude.
super cool.
Super
It's
cool.
a great time to buy because we have Black November sales going on
All month long.
Yep.
All
All month long.
All month long, Black November. I designed a PC Unreal's website. I think it's gonna be a monster, dude. I'm so happy to hear that, dude. Rex, what's the specs on that bad boy? What's the specs? I'm over here. How was the GT collab in your opinion, dude? It was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun. He got to pick on me about using Arch. Why is the PSU on top? Great question. Wish I had an answer. I don't. How they designed the case, gang?
So you can have all of this space
To cable manage.
here. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm not sure, bro. Ask height. I designed a. Let's see. Axo, okay, cool. I hear you. Heard. I'm in Finland. Is Meow PC store good for PCs? I've never heard of that. For where house power outlets are. I never thought about that. Dude, this is supposed to be on the floor. And then that's where it's like 1-to-1 where the power outlet is.
Oh, interesting. That does work.
That makes so much sense.
That's pretty cool.
That's smart. Height. Someone give this man a raise. Someone give Height a raise.
That's pretty cool, guys.
I didn't even think about that, dude. Intel Core Ultra 285K, Asus X8 Z890, 32 gigs of Kingston Fury Beast, dude. That's gonna be solid. What do you think about the 9060 XT? I love the 9060 XT, dude. It's a great card. Heaven Guard. Ooh, pink case. Yeah, dude. This is going to be a good one, my man.
Yeah.
How much RAM do I need for gaming? I would recommend 32 gigs of RAM for gaming, if I were you. If I were you guys out there building a PC, I would recommend 32 gigs. Used to be safe with 16, but now RAM is just... Oh. What was that, David?
It was kind of broken up, right?
It was.
So it's not gonna score super high. I'll be
Fair
honest.
enough.
It's gonna be like a 6. I'm harsh on the ratings on that. Yeah, that's my girl. She's never cracked like an 8 or just like I think she hit an 8.1 at some point, and it was
Big.
incredible. It was big.
Good lord, Jared. Yep. I forgot what I was saying. For whoever was, RAM. Games are getting more and more RAM intensive. So.
Put Noctua fans in it? That's crazy.
No, we would not put Noctua fans in this. Come on.
One more of those, Soul, and I don't know. Ooh.
Yeah, so one more of those, and we're gonna have a conversation. We're gonna have a long walk off of a short pier. All right, I'm kidding.
That'd be pretty foul. Noctua fans in here would be
That would be
something, yeah.
gross. Today on Soul's Hot Takes, yeah, for sure. I'm so sorry, Jared. I gotta go sleep. It's 1 a.m. here. I have an exam tomorrow. We'll check reviews tomorrow. Thanks for the help, by the way. Of course, dude. Sorry, I'm beast. I'm so sorry.
You want to say we can save yours for tomorrow?
We can.
then.
I can
Yeah,
save yours for
let's
tomorrow
save
if you
tomorrow.
want. Yeah, I'll save yours for tomorrow. I'll just skip over it today. But no, we're not doing beast today. Can I check it out? Yeah, I can check it out. Meta PC silent RCS with Noctua parts. Yeah. I mean, we've used Noctua stuff before.
Oh, yeah.
We like
I
Noctua.
just like it's the color, guys. Noctua is great. They
It
make
really is the
amazing
color.
stuff.
It
Yes.
really is the color. It's
And they know what they're doing. It's weird. Come on.
yeah. It's 30 minutes after midnight. Should I sleep? I mean, you can hang out with us, but yeah, if you wanna.
You want to go to sleep? Maybe keep the stream on. Just lurk, right?
Yeah.
You wanna hang out. Oh my god.
I mean, from what I can see from that Meow store, it doesn't look bad. It looks legit. It's a little chat bubble. Cut ya. Thank you so much for the follow. Really appreciate it. John Anderson, thank you so much for the follow. Hey, my name's John. John Anderson. Hey, bud. I'll call Carl Bismarck.
Is this a bit?
Who's Carl Bismarck? Who's Carl Bismarck?
Who's Carl Bismarck?
He's dead. Have you never seen that?
No idea what you're on about.
I'm gonna call Carl Bismarck. Dude, that's a bit between me and Zach. Noctua Colors are a marketing scheme. They've made such a name for themselves that just seeing Noctua Colors in a build makes you think about them. That's true.
Exactly. 100%. I love
Water,
it. It's
brother,
great.
I love that you think I have water readily accessible to me. Teleporting Xander, thank you so much. Zlander? Thank you so much for the hydrate. Remind me to hydrate. I've watched his streams. Nice.
Good water. You should have water. Water's
I
good
should,
food.
but I keep forgetting my water. I should go get my water bottle out of my car, shouldn't I?
Oh, it's in your car, brother.
It's in my car.
Oh my goodness.
I'll just go get it.
Oh my goodness.
I should probably just go get it. Can I go get my water?
You can if you want. That's a long walk to the car.
I know, but I do. You're right.
You should be
Chad is
drinking water.
right.
my
I need to drink my water.
You
I'll be
has
right
to.
back.
You gotta stay hydrated. You don't want to like get cramp up.
No, you're right. Dude. You can't cramp it up in the middle of a PC build. It's not okay.
Cannot do it. You want to pull it.
I'll be right back.
Believe this guy? No water in the building. That's crazy work, right? That's insane. Yeah, no, this system it's really cute. I don't know if you saw this. It's got little feet. Like it's got little paws on the feet. It's so cute. I love it. Noctua thinks RGB reduces performance. They're wrong. It increases performance. Every RGB strip you add adds on 10 FPS. It's true. Yeah, no, this case with these fans looks awesome. Like they color match so well, right? Gotta be rage bait, maybe a little bit. But I'll tell you what does add performance, owning a meta PC. Results may vary. Is this the new height case? Yes, it is. This is the Height X50 in strawberry milk. It's pink. It's pink. Strawberry milk, but you know, it's pink. We can all say it's pink. This thing is awesome. I've built it in a couple times, and I've built it in a bunch of the different colors. But it's really nice. It's actually a good, an easy build too. Maybe, I mean, if you're a first time builder, it really isn't that bad. There's not a ton that you can mess up, you know what I mean? So it's a really cool case. I love this. And then I get, like I always mention, Height does really, really well with their colors. Their case colors. This is like, it's not gonna rub off. It's not gonna like tarnish or anything like that. It's like really nice. Yeah. Shout out Height, the X50, really good case. Toxic, have a good one. Thank you so much for watching, for hanging out. Appreciate you. You got those fans in there. Thinking of getting the Y70 for your next build. The Y70 is awesome too. Yeah, we use the Y70 a lot in a lot of our builds. A lot of our, especially higher end, like RTS systems, things like that. The Y70 is great. Are you looking at the touch version or just the Y70? Excuse me. It's dusty in here, I suppose. I'm going to use this thing. Not sure on that. Okay. Well, if you get the non-touch version, they do sell an upgrade kit to make it into a touch, and it's really not that hard to do the upgrade. It's like 4 screws and 2 wires. It's pretty cool. You should definitely. The Y70 is great. The Y70 is awesome. We got some ads. We'll slow it down here for a second, guys, while they get through the ads.
So mistakes were made, David.
Mistakes were made. No water bottle. There's just no water bottle present.
No,
whatsoever.
there was a water bottle in my car, and I could see it through the window.
Sure.
However, I left my keys in here,
Right.
and did not want to take more
And
time
so at
away
this
from
point,
stream
it's
to
like
go get my
come back,
water.
get your key. There's
Yeah.
mistakes were certainly made, my friend.
I got a cup.
I see what's happened here.
I bought a water cup. back
At least
in.
there's water on premises.
Water is on the premises now.
If there was no water in a 5-mile radius of here for you, I would be
yeah.
shooketh.
No, yeah, we have water.
Let's slow down. They're on some ad break on Twitch.
Oh,
real
okay,
quick.
gotcha.
Yep. I don't know if you guys are done with the ads. Let me know.
Yeah.
But I saw some people saying they got ads. So
You're gonna put a Barbie sitting down there as a GPU bracket?
that's
really
actually
cool.
pretty cool.
That's
That'd
fun.
be a good idea.
That's funny.
But you honestly, you have some space in here for a little fig or something.
yeah, dude.
Something like
This is
that.
cute,
you know?
man. This is a very cute rig.
And then you'll notice we'll leave this empty,
Yeah.
and that's a surprise.
That's
And
that's
you
a
guys will get to see that later.
That's our mystery mouse tool we're gonna use later.
Mouse Catool.
Yeah, did you never watch
good
Mickey Mouse Clubhouse?
Yes, good reference, brother.
Thank you. That's our mystery mouse tool that we're going to use later. But I have an assignment for everyone out there in the chat right now, okay? An assignment for everyone out in the chat right now. Do not let my girlfriend see this case. Okay?
No,
No.
because she'll want it.
She'll want it bad. And I'll have to do a full case swap.
So no, thank you.
My phone battery's dying. Well, go charge it, silly. Jedi Master. Ooh, a pink case today. Yes, sir. This is the X50 from Height, dude. This thing is super, super cool. David let me play with a knife.
He grabbed it, and I'm scared to grab it back.
I got a knife. That's terrifying, dude.
You ever seen Rhett and Link?
I
They
love-
cannot
yeah, they're like,
trust Link
no-
with sharp
No
objects.
sharp object.
You might be the most
Um,
sharp objects guy.
She's AI. She's not AI, dude. I had to go. Listen to what happened yesterday. I need you guys to hear me. What I'm saying to you right now. I'm such a good boyfriend, dude. Listen.
great way to start
I'm gonna
the
stroke
story,
my own
brother.
ego for a second. I'm such a good boyfriend. My girlfriend called me yesterday, and she goes, "Hey, listen, I'm in a bad spot. I need you to come get me." And I go, "Okay, where you at?" She goes, "I'm in Payson, which is an hour and a half away from us, right?" I drove an hour and a half to go get her yesterday.
It's just what you do.
Who knows who Jared's girlfriend is? Jared does. David does. No one else needs to know. Okay? Okay. Look at my setup, please. I will be doing that soon. Speaking of my girlfriend, she's in the chat right now. She just joined. I watched her join. Crap. We are screwed, boys. We are not having a good time. Cooked. We are cooked, chat. We are cooked. Hi, Danny. I hope you're doing well. Guys, it's happening. We're in trouble. It's happening. We do ship to Canada, Tempest. We do ship to Canada. Cooked. Oh, absolutely cooked. It's like she heard me. It was like it was on cue, even. I literally said, do not let my girlfriend see this PC case, and she joined the chat immediately after. That's fun. Thoughts on the Dispatch game? I haven't played it. Is it good? 100% cooked? Oh, so cooked. So cooked. Indubitably cooked. Check my phone. No, we're good. We're Gucci. We're good. Hey, no one say anything.
Don't you say nothing.
Don't you say nothing. Uh-oh. Now I'm getting texts. Next thing you know, Jared and her are married. She gets to move to the ranch. He vanished. We find him in a human-sized bird cage 2 years later. Yeah. Zach is No, it's not Zach. It's Danny. It's my girl. Yeah, she's gonna retire and be like, listen, I'm gonna move to a ranch somewhere, and then he's just gonna. How was your day? Don't worry, Jared. We are here to get you out. Thank you. What were you sharing about me? I was just telling them not to let. Danny. While you were not here, it just so happened you joined right after. I told them not to let you see this case, or you would want this bad. You would want that case bad. And I'm pretty sure I'm about to get a text that says, yes, this case is very cute and I would like it. I'm almost 90% sure. New games that I played. I haven't played new games at all. I don't play a lot of new games, guys. I stick to the ones I like.
Yeah.
Skate, I think, is the newest new game I played.
She just responded with, "Oh, so you're getting it for me? So you're getting me this case?" No. Fallout. Ooh, dude, I need to play some more Fallout games. I like Fallout.
I don't actually know what Fallout is. Is it a shooter? Is it?
It's kind of a solo story shooter, like
Okay.
role-playing type beat. So
I
like
see.
you're in Fallout. This is just the general plot for all of the Fallout games. You are a vault dweller that is now released from your vault on the
Okay.
surface for some reason. My current PC is a Linux distro with StreamOS, good for gaming PC when I use OBS. Yeah, OBS is natively supported on Linux, so either way, you should be good to go. Is Annie your wife? No. Not my wife. Close, though. Not my wife. Show's great, too. The show was awesome. But yeah, but you are a vault dweller. You go out into the nuclear waste. Basically, what happens is there's a nuclear fallout.
Fallout.
Yeah,
Roll
nuclear.
credits.
Yeah, roll credits.
Nice.
Name of the show. Name of the show. Roll credits, guys. We did it.
Shout out to
Name of the show. Yeah, so you are a vault dweller from various different vaults,
Yeah.
and you're going into the wasteland, and obviously hilarity ensues because you've been living in a vault for the last
Sure.
30 years, and then all of a sudden now you're released onto the society, and obviously your society is a microcosm and stuff. But yeah, that's basically what it is. What are your top 10 games? Ooh, top 10 games.
Top 10. That's too many. I can't think of.
Let's do
that
top
many
5.
games.
Can we do
Yeah.
top 5?
I could do top 5.
David, you go first. I got some time. I need some time.
Okay, so top 5 Minecraft.
Nice. Minecraft should always be in the. Whoa! That was fell.
Almost
I
died.
almost
We
died,
almost saw
dude.
Jared die. What happened?
Dude, I literally went like this. I had my legs crossed and I stood up, and for some
Whoa.
reason, like my legs went to.
Just gave
twist.
out on you
Yeah,
there,
it was
bud.
weird.
Okay, Minecraft. Cuphead. I love Cuphead. Chess.
Chess is good.
The Game of Life.
That's life.
And Mario Kart.
Is that
Ooh,
5?
Mario Kart. Yeah, that's a good one. I think that's 5. I think that was. All right, so mine.
Oh, I'm gonna trade Game of Life for Mousetrap.
Is that where you just poke a mousetrap in it?
No, you ever played the board game Mousetrap?
No.
Dude, if you guys ever played Mousetrap, the board game, say something, cause like, come on, you definitely gotta say.
Bro didn't say Doom. I don't think either of us
I've
ever
never
played
played
Doom.
Doom. No.
My number 1 game of all time. You guys know this already. Stardew Valley.
Of course.
Stardew Valley, number 1 game of all time.
Obviously.
Second best game of all time. I'm gonna have to go Minecraft, dude. I need to go Minecraft. Danny just said Mousetrap is lit. Spades. Now, hear me out, dude. Take me to a cookout. I'm playing spades.
The restaurant?
No. Oh, the restaurant. Don't even get me started on the restaurant. No, I mean a cookout like cards. Like I'm playing cards.
okay.
You know what I mean?
see.
Spades is one of my favorite games of all time. I love playing spades. I have never had a bad time while I'm playing spades. Spades is fun. I learned how to play spades when I was in the military, and it was one of my go-tos. Spider-Man 2.
Okay.
Very good game.
Cool.
Let's see. Balatro, number 4. Number 5. Ooh, number 5's gonna hit me hard in the chest, man. This is a rough one. So, this is hard, man. Candy Crush. I'm kidding. I'm joking. Probably Minecraft. Probably
Flappy
Minecraft.
Bird.
Probably Minecraft, dude. I learned spades when I was property of the state as well. Yep.
I didn't put Clash of Clans on my list.
Oh, dude. Jared, do you use Arch, by the way? I sure do, Patrick. I sure do. I use it every day. My keyboard A key's not working, only when I try to replace the key. Can someone help me? I would say that your switch might have went out. Your switch might have broke. You might need to get a new switch. Or if your switches aren't hot swappable, looks like you're getting a new keyboard, gang. Not my cup of tea. No offense to any Stardew Valley fan. That's no offense to me. I mean, it's okay to have bad taste.
I'm feeling offended.
I'm joking. I'm joking, obviously. No, it's really a me thing. Stardew Valley is just very in depth, and I love it. Is it okay to buy a laptop? I feel like you ask me this all the time. Yeah, it has been. That should be fine. I'm dying. Yeah.
I think Dragon Ball Xenoverse is the best game of all time.
The big dub. Thank you so much for the follow. You already both chats. We read all the chats. All the chats. No Elden Ring mention. I've never played it, gang. Sorry, dude. Can I have a free PC? No, you cannot. But thank you for the follow.
Yeah, what are y'all's top 5? What are your top 5?
I'm broke.
Games.
Same, twin. No, I'm not broke, but I get you. Will TNT explosion in Minecraft hurt at 1440p hurt at 90? No, that should not even phase that. Give me your favorite songs. Ooh, songs? Snooze by SZA is one of my favorites right now.
I like American Kids by Kenny Chesney.
Nice, dude.
Been listening
You know what song I heard last night that I haven't heard in forever?
What?
I'm Gonna Miss Her by Brad Paisley.
That's a good one.
Well, I'm gonna miss
That's a
her
great one.
when I get home. Doing 20 streams. Doing it for 20 streams first time? What? What's happening? Help, my PC turned into a nuclear fission reactor. What do I do? Pray. That's what you do. That's what you do in that scenario. Ghost of Tsushima. I need to play that game. I'm really into solo story games. So, like, if you guys have any solo story games that you would suggest me playing, let me know. GTA 5 is good. I like that. I need to play Red Dead.
Oh, yeah, GTA definitely should have been on my top 5 list, actually.
I don't-
A lot of GTA.
I don't even... GTA is fine. It's not great.
I played a lot of it. That's the only reason I would put it there.
What are your highest ranking white cases for first-time builders? And the ATX need to be full tower.
V100, the V100R, which comes with the fans, is cool. Height Y70 in white, or the Height Y40 in white's pretty good too. A little harder for first-time builders. What about you, Jared?
I would go 011 Vision.
Okay.
Wait, is the Vision the one with the... No, what's the one we use all the time? The 011D?
Evo.
011 Evo. Thank you.
Dynamic.
Evo Dynamic. Yeah, I think that one's really good. Jared, do you like Cyberpunk? Yeah. I really like Cyberpunk. Red Dead Redemption 2 is better than GTA 5. That's a hot take, my friend. It's a hot take. Let's see if people stick with it. I really like Cyberpunk a lot, actually. I have an i7-12700H 2070 16 gigs DDR4. Should I upgrade now or wait for prices to drop? I think you should upgrade now, if you want. Check out the Asian horror games here. They have a great plot, and of course they're solo. Nice, dude. I love that. Oh snap! What's going on, Dream Squasher? How we doing? Yeah, we got an X50 going on in here.
Dream Squasher.
Dream Squasher. I'm gonna squash your dreams, brother.
Good name.
PS5 or PS5 Pro? Is there like any
I don't know the difference.
I don't know the difference.
I don't know the difference.
I know the PS5 Pro is just thinner, I think. What is the difference between the PS5 and the PS... I'm gonna look that up. It's a Tech Tuesday. Why not?
Tech Tuesday, baby.
Difference between... I mean, first of all, the fact that we're talking about PlayStations right now is wrong. We should be talking about Meta PCs, so what we should be talking about. I mean, it has a GPU upgrade in it, but that doesn't really tell me much. Like, RDNA 2 versus RDNA 3. Okay, so you got a 1-gen upgrade. 45% faster ray tracing. $200 is the difference, though.
It's a lot of bucks.
It's a lot of bucks, dude. I think it's a reference from you. What? Did I make a reference? Seek and Destroy, thank you so much for the sub, dude. Really appreciate you. Thank you.
Oh, Seek and Destroy.
Really appreciate you for the sub, my man. Thank you so much. I hope your son really enjoys that shade, my guy.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Jared, say, I know what I got. I know what I got.
what I got.
I know what I got. Mio, we actually did a little bit of a deep dive in the new Steam console. If you want to get my full unadulterated thoughts on the Steam console, head on over to the Zach Shutt channel. There is a long form video with me, Zach, and Travi sitting down and just someone gifted it. No clue. Oh, well, neato. Thank you. Oh, Sailor. Thank you so much for the bits. I'm pretty sure it's probably Sailor that gifted you some subs. Really appreciate that. What do you think about the Ryzen 5 7500F 9060 XT 16 gig? I love that, dude. It was me. I knew it was Sailor. I knew it was Sailor.
Of course.
I knew it was Sailor. I was like, Sailor.
Thank you,
I almost
Sailor.
sliced the top of my finger, dude.
Come on.
I'm gonna put that down. I need a Steam Deck. Can you help me? Why do you need a Steam Deck? Yo, what's good, Jared? What's going on, Joseph? Welcome back to the chat, my friend. I stayed last stream to see my setup. Still salty because you didn't see the mug. Dude, I'm so sorry, Joseph. I'm really sorry, my man.
I
9900.
didn't notice the mug that it had code on it. That's really
Yeah,
cool.
that's pretty cool, dude. 9900K and 2070 Super still. Really gonna look stuff hard here soon. It's done me well. Dream Squasher, we have a lot of great systems that you should check out at Meta PCs, my guy. Sailor, I see it now. Thank you so much for the gift, Sailor. That's awesome, dude. Sailor, if you guys don't know Sailor, Sailor's been in the community for a little bit, been in here for a while. We love Sailor. Sailor's great. Huge shout out to Sailor. Thank you so much, dude. Do a backflip? No. No, LJ, we didn't rate your setup yet. If you send it in today, it probably won't be rated until tomorrow. Oh my god, Peak PC. Yep. Oh, our girlfriends are in the chat. There's a problem. They're seeing the pink PCs, and now they're like, oh no, we want them.
Rip.
Do a barrel roll? No. What do you mean?
You can do
I can't do a backflip. You think I can do a barrel roll?
Yeah, just do one. Just do one.
All right, here you go.
Just do it. You can do a full 360 jump and just boom, 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 boom.
Can you imagine, dude?
Just knock everything. Just smack the camera, smack the monitor.
Did Sailor swear like one?
Tornado.
I don't know. Sailor doesn't actually talk in the chat very often. They just send us bits, and I really appreciate that.
Subs and just kind of hang out.
They just gotta hang out, dude. Listen, you don't
I
have to be
respect
like
it.
the biggest like supporter ever and like be like super deep in chat to be a supporter and for us to know your guys' name. You know what I mean? Is this what? No, this build isn't sponsored. What are we talking about? What do you think about investing in DDR5 RAM? Is there like a stock that I'm unaware of? Like, what's happening? No, buying a DDR5 is a good idea. Yep.
Yeah, but buying it to resell at a higher price,
No.
you're part of the problem.
No, if you resell it at a higher price, you are part of the problem. Stop being a part of the problem.
We don't want that, guys. We don't like that.
Sailor's like, yeah, I'm just more of a lurker. Nothing wrong with that, dude. We're just happy to have you here, man.
That's a vibe. We're chilling.
Enclave OS. Is that? Are you working on like a Linux distro, dude? That sounds super cool. Jared, do 50 series Super canceled or delayed? They might be delayed. We're not 100% sure yet. We don't have any news on the Super series. There have been 0 announcements from NVIDIA on the Super series. This is all speculation. So make sure you guys are taking that into account. Guys, are you going to do a video tutorial about how to install a Liquid system in first person? That is a very, very hard to do. That is a very, very hard thing to do. So I'm not sure if we could do that. It would just take a long time. Is there ads happening right now, guys? Guys' favorite color? Mine's red.
Mine's purple.
I think we've had that discussion before, and I always go back and forth, because I really like purple, but I also really like red, too.
It also depends on the shade. I like Seafoam Green a lot as well.
I'm an Android custom ROM maker. Dude, I remember when I was a kid, what really got me into tech was loading Cyanogen mod on a Nook color. I've told that story several times here.
Nerd!
But yeah, that was really cool. Yeah, ads. Okay, cool. We slow down a little bit for the ads. I've been here for a little over 2 months. Yeah, dude. Much love, my guy. Guys, this is a new thing we started in the last couple of days. If you guys are here, we have a lot of Twitch viewers, and we really do appreciate them. But we noticed that our Twitch viewers were not seeing a lot of the stuff that we were doing during ad breaks. So last couple of days what we've been doing is just kind of slowing down a little bit for ads. Not like super like, hey, we're not gonna do anything at all ever, but like at least like tailing the discussion for a minute, making sure that all of our friends can be included. Jared, tell your girlfriend I said hi and wow, and ad started as soon as you asked. Yep. You're working at In-N-Out's technician. That's super cool, dude. Installing an update and takes 13 hours. Is that bad? Yeah, that's definitely bad. Might be an SSD failing. Your wallet will be empty and you have to save up for a second mortgage to pay it off. Dude, I've been there. Not getting a second mortgage, but, you know, being like, I can't do anything. Let's see. Yeah, if it's taking 13 hours to install an update, it might be your CPU, it might be your storage. I would take it into your local repair shop and see what they tell you. Be like, hey, I was trying to update this. It took 13 hours. I don't know what's going on. Ooh, Derek, what's going on, dude? Welcome back to the chat, my man. I hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well. Building my fiance's PC with a 9700X and a 5070. Would you recommend something else for a mid to high end aimed at shooters? 50s. Ooh, that's a solid system right there, Ben. It's a really good system, it looks like. Let me see. Let's see what we got in here. Hydrate. Oh my goodness. I got water now. Cheers. How many watts does it take to upload a BIOS with no CPU in it? No idea. No clue. I like how bubbly the case is. That's a little bit of the point.
Just end stream.
Yeah, you just ended stream, dude. I can't. David. Don't tell him. Guys, I can't believe you ended stream, dude.
Cooked. It's over.
Why would you do that? Guys, don't say anything. It's such a dumb bit.
What are you? It's over. Oh, wow.
Oh no, I gotta go. Bye, guys.
I'd be actually really bad. I was like, dude, come on. That would suck.
Do you like HyperX headsets? Yeah, I use one. I use a HyperX headset. I love it. Say 6'7"? Nah, I'm good.
Like
Appreciate
what?
you though.
How is it possible? Like, how on?
My TikTok crashed. Oh no, Rex. I'm sorry, dude.
Probably my fault.
Oh, I'm Team Green. As far as GPUs go, you know what we do have? We have a little bit of a curveball.
I'm Team Blue.
David's Team Blue,
All
guys.
blue,
David's Team Blue.
I suppose.
Team Blue. SATA HDD. There's nothing wrong with the SATA HDD. I mean, there is, but like it's slow. But like, it's fine. I said it. Dang it, they got me, dude. But I didn't do the hands, so I don't think it
It
counts.
doesn't count without the hand.
You have to do the hands for the thing to be like
the way
that.
to be.
I need to customize a PC at home. AZ GeForce CPU. Are we talking about the Grace CPUs? Is that what they're calling them? Grace Halo or something like
Is
that?
that what it is?
Yeah. What do you think of Salker 2? I've played it once. I was not a big fan. I'm not Zach. I'm Jared. This is David.
There's no Zach's here.
There's no Zachs here. Is the HDD slow? Okay, never mind. For a second. Me too. Uh-oh.
Oh no.
I think it just froze for a second. Corrupted, are we good? Yeah, we're back. Okay, sweet. I'm getting some stream stutter. Okay, well, that could be an internet thing.
We are having like storms in the area.
Yeah, we are having storms in the area, aren't we?
That could be affecting it.
Panic.
I'm trying to not panic.
There's just a
actually.
lag spike? Okay. Lag is mad. Oh, no.
I'm really trying not to panic.
I'm really trying not to panic. We are live every day. That's true. Mad lag, okay? Mine stops completely. Oh, that's fun.
Oh, terrible.
Yeah, it lagged a bit. Getting spotty. Good now. Okay, cool. Yeah, we're having some storms in the area.
Yeah. It doesn't seem like we're having that void thing though, so I
Good thing.
think,
Good
yeah.
things. Stream is starting as well. It is windy today in Arizona. Okay, cool. Keeps lagging, but the audio stays. Okay. Well, I'm assuming that's going to be connectivity issues just with wind and... Okay, fixed for right now. Okay, cool. It seems like a connectivity issue. Never mind. Check your OBS. That's a few lag spikes. You guys are frozen. Okay, great. I'll refresh. Okay, let's see if a refresh works.
Good.
Still spotty? Okay, fair enough.
What
That's
up?
fine. Happening.
This is happening.
You're gonna give me the bomb, dude?
Famously does not do well without spicy stuff.
A little bit.
Yeah,
For context,
I'll take it.
Phil just did like 8.
I just did
What's
like
up?
an eighth of the bottle
Let me set this
for an
aside
ad.
really quick.
The ad is literally,
Just found you guys while doom scrolling. It's neato.
hey, what's up, Soul Observer? Okay, listen, we just filmed an ad. Oh, look, it's all over my fingers. You don't like that?
No!
Here, I'll do it with you, but we filmed an ad where Zach goes, Phil has agreed to do a dab of Da Bomb with every PC sold in the time it takes for me to explain the Black Friday sale. It was all over the place. It was great.
Okay.
I'll
Here.
load one up.
That's as much as I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be a little punk.
Whoa! Wow.
Okay.
I'm gonna be a little punk, dude.
You gotta at least match David.
Nah.
One from Hot.
This
Ones, right?
is the Da Bomb Evolution
I am-
Oh, the new
from Hot
one.
Ones from the most recent season.
All right,
Guys,
I'll
we
go
might
with the
we
spicy one.
might be cutting it. We might be cutting here because I do not do well with
Cheers.
Dink it. Oh, it's a little smoky. Oh, that's
Yeah.
bad immediately. That's bad immediately. Oh, I hate it. Oh,
Water's gonna make it worse.
it is. Oh God.
Don't touch
Red
your
Hot chilies
eyes.
have evolved and sauce design has changed
Uh-oh.
in tandem.
Uh-
In Insanity, we
Don't
returned
touch
to
your eyes.
ground
I'm
zero
not-
That's
and found the final
it's
answer.
hot.
This is our evolution.
Hot, guys, I'm straight up not having a good time.
From some of the hottest peppers known to man. Warning: this sauce is extremely hot. Keep out of reach of children and Jared. Consume one drop at a time.
David just bodied that like it was nothing.
Yeah, I mean, it's hot.
It's
I'm
hot,
not
but
gonna
it's-
sit here
it's
and
not
lie.
like-
It's like it's hot. I'm sweating a little bit, but like it's not.
Oh, it comes in waves.
I'm okay.
Yes,
I feel
so
fine.
that's the thing with Da Bomb is it comes in waves and it
Wash
gets
my hands.
harder with each wave for about 10 minutes.
Great.
It's all rubber eyes now.
Can I need to go wash my hands. I will be
Yeah.
touching my eye.
Yeah.
Yeah, go wash
I
your
will be
hands.
touching my eye.
Wait, do you have gloves?
No.
We're gonna be sorting our hot sauces by eye feel.
No one talks about the eye.
Yeah, that wasn't bad. That wasn't
Guys,
bad.
have you heard about our Black Friday sale? I think this is a great time.
This is a good time to talk about the
Perfect
Black
natural
Friday
segue.
sale. Guys, Black November is going.
Systems on the ready to ship page over at metapcs.com. Each one of them is between $100 to $500 off, like the Ivory Rain. It's an all-white build with 5070 Ti and it's BTF. It's gorgeous. They've built them on stream before. Do you like that build?
It's awesome. It's sick. It's simple.
That one is currently $200 off. These things go up as we get closer to Black Friday. Now, Black Friday, what's really cool about it? Because not only are they going to get, what, a mouse mat?
Mouse mat. If you get qualifying builds, you get keyboard and mouse.
That's right. And
Yeah.
if you get a signature build, you get an upgrade to all the gear that you're getting for free with those PC purchases.
Very true.
Wow.
And it works here at metapcs.com as well as in the store. And we've even got, like, we can't say too much about them because it's limited quantities, but we got door busters.
We do be door busting.
We do be busting
The doors
doors.
be busted.
We got
The Lion doesn't concern himself with other PC builders' deals when Meta
Hi.
PCs is running Black
We did it
November.
together.
Yeah.
This is a good thing. This is great. Are you okay?
No.
He doesn't seem okay, guys. I'm concerned for our friend Jared.
My breath is hot.
The Lion doesn't care about stream stutters.
That's true.
Dude, it literally, we were just getting
lion.
reports of lag. As soon as you guys, like, right before you guys came in, we're like, hey, is the stream lagging for anybody else? And they were like, oh, yeah, for me sometimes.
The lion pushes through. That's what
The Lion doesn't concern himself with the slow stutter.
You look like a PC card.
You want some thermal paste?
No.
And like any lipids somewhere in this building.
The Lion is not a little baby
Here.
about hot sauce.
Here,
The
try
line
that.
is a very big
That might
thing.
help.
This might help.
Yeah,
actually.
that's toothpaste, baby.
That's toothpaste.
The lion take one.
Is it toothpaste?
The Lion does not concern himself
I
with
think-
trying hot
Right,
sauces.
of course, obviously.
Jared, is this yours?
No, that's old.
He needs some milk.
The Lion doesn't concern
Yeah, but it's not
himself
spoiled,
with
but it's
increasing
got that
RAM
in it.
prices.
That helps.
I'm okay.
The Lion
I'm not
doesn't
drinking.
You
concern
wanna just
himself
hit it
with
with
using
more, like,
Arch
it's not
Linux.
Yeah.
fire with fire?
Yeah.
Not spicy.
It's like trying to cover up the fact that you peed your pants by pooping your pants.
Exactly.
There's
No
a
one's
lot
gonna
of
care
people
that
in
you peed
here.
your pants if you poop your pants.
life hack for you guys.
Yeah, it is a life hack.
What happened here?
Is a bad AIO worse than a good air cooler? Yes, I'm leaving.
Bye, Zach.
Thanks, Zach. Thanks, Phil.
Love you guys.
Thanks
don't know
for
if you
murdering
played-
my co-host.
Have
guys.
fun. Ah! Ah! Okay, is it still lagging for anybody? Because might just restart real quick.
That was a whole scene. We
Yeah.
did all of that while probably no one could see it. That's so not worth it whatsoever.
The Lion will concern himself with the lag.
The
Yeah.
Lion is currently concerning himself with the lag. What?
I think it might be because there are storms in the area. Because yesterday went off without a hitch. Yeah. Guys, we're gonna restart real quick. Hopefully that'll fix whatever internet issue we're having. It might not. We'll see how. Oh my sweet baby, sweet.
Do we need to take an intermission?
Oh,
of 5?
sweet baby rays.
Should we take a 5 on this?
Wee.
My poor guy, poor dude.
Uh,
I told you guys, I do fine with spicy. I'm not.
I do
super worried about
not. I do
spicy.
fine with sour. I do not do fine.
I don't
Oh
think
my
it was
gosh,
sour.
it